All right. How do you like that Halloween intro, everybody? Happy Halloween. Welcome to Crypto on the Rocks. Happy Friday. Happy Bitcoin white paper day. Happy everything, man. Happy everything. Guys, welcome. How's it going? Oh, yes. I'm sorry. Here we go. Yes, let's start it out. Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. So BC, what's going on, brother?
Not a whole lot. Finally glad the week's over. It's been a long one. Couldn't have got here soon enough.
I
agree.
got you.
I had an invite to go trick or treating, but it's a little cold for that. So yeah.
I understand. Yeah, we got some weather going here. So if all of a sudden I disappear, we can blame it on Halloween, but it might just be, the wind. But anyway, well, I'm glad you made it here, BC. I wasn't, like I said earlier, I wasn't expecting you, but I'm glad you're here, man. Glad you're here.
Yeah, I didn't know if I was going to be here or not.
Well, so you got the open invitation anytime you want. You know that.
Oh, yeah. I'm glad I made it.
Well, what about you there, Mr. Shub? I wasn't expecting you either. What's up?
Yeah, it just happened. But, sitting here hanging out, getting a little slow at work. So I worked from home a little bit today. Got to hang out with my nephew and just hanging out in the laser shop, putting together orders because right about now is when it starts getting busy for Christmas. Everybody wants their stuff early.
That makes a lot of sense. A lot of sense. Now, are these people who have ordered stuff from you before, or people that you're like, advertising to, or whatever?
Now, most of them have ordered before, so they're trying to get that unique gift because everybody can buy stuff from Walmart or wherever. You just can't buy what I make anywhere. I mean, you can buy it on Etsy, this, that, and the other. You just don't know what you're going to get. So,
yeah, fair enough. Well, let's go see who's here. Yeah, told you that one's not there. Sorry, bud. Listen, Nightbot should be active. So you feel free to play around with it. Hold on, let me do an I command so you guys can see what's or an I command. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. The exclamation point thing. Yeah, that's it. Exclamation point. And let's see if it actually comes online here. I think I've got it fixed. So here we go. Let's see. Automatic Beats in the house. How's it going, bud? Zek. Yeah. Zek is like on fire. What's it? Link is really? Come on.
Right. Come on. You had to know that was coming.
Yeah, no, listen, however, no ill will with regard to that. And K Diggity in the house. Happy Halloween to you, sir. Mike Volmer, I see you. Welcome. Appreciate you being here, man. Chris Klein in the house. Appreciate that. Let's see who else. Then obviously we got Chewies. Yes, cheers. Yes, we did our cheers. We'll do another one. I'm taking it easy tonight. Honestly, I wasn't feeling well. If it wasn't Friday night, I'd already be in bed. Probably at this point, trying to kind of recoup.
I can relate to that. It has been a long week.
Oh, there it is. Okay, there we go. There's Nightbot is active. So there it is. I appreciate that. Let's see. Let's get it to say Happy Halloween to everybody, because that's one of them here. Oh crap. And there we go. We'll play around with that. Add one for me. What am I missing? Oh, I'm reading it from the wrong section. Sorry, guys. Oh, man. There it is. See? A little Happy Halloween with all the emojis. There we go. There we go. I'm just, what's this? I actually voted for Link this time. Oh. Usually vote for Render. Well, let's see. Where's my list? All right, guys. I'm just gonna tell you straight out. Link coming into this stream was in the lead.
Go figure.
Yeah, exactly. It's like I'm gonna end up having to pull that sucker too. I can see already. But I'll tell you what. Let's see if you guys can guess what was in second place. BC, what do you think?
Well, I'm gonna hope PAX G, but I know it's not. It's probably
What about-
Render.
It's probably Render, right? What about you there, Shu? What do you think?
Second place, I would say Render also.
Well, guess what? PAX G.
Woo!
Place.
There we go. People
Render
are
tied for last with Beam, but you know, it is
where
what
it belongs.
yeah, where it belongs. And that's actually not music. I just got the werewolf going. If it's really either too loud or just too annoying, let me know, and I will obviously turn it off there for a little bit. Mike's he's adding commands to Nightbot. Look out! Here we go. That's awesome. That's awesome. Have a good time with it, guys. I'm glad it's working. I realized it's funny. Last night, I don't even know how the hell I realized I was so damn tired last night. I was like, what did I do wrong? And then, well, you know, when you go to like connect it to your account, when it pulls up all your accounts, I didn't realize I have multiple. It breaks out your like main account. So I had like 3 listings of Crypto Coin Mindset, and I connected it to the wrong one. I was like, oh, well, that'll do it. There we go. There we go. Oh, look at that. I like that one. Nice. There it is.
It's true.
There you go. Awesome. Jay Violet. Did I see Jay Violet? I think I did. Yeah. Jay Violet's in the house. Appreciate you being here. Yes. Happy Halloween to everybody. Hope you're enjoying that. Yeah. Nightbot setting out those happy Halloweens. Oh, Shuby Buckets. Can't forget those, man. And, wait. There's a special one for Shuby.
Put it in there.
Try it out. Let's see.
I did. I put it back in there a little while ago.
Oh, you did? Oh, I missed it. Or I ain't gotten to it yet. One or the other. And yes, there's a CCM one. Yes. There's a 31% chance that CCM says, I'm just an old man on the interwebs in the next
I think
minute.
it's a higher. It's definitely a higher percentage than that.
Yeah.
Oh man, and there it is. Yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, baby.
Yeah, I think mine said something about 83% chance that I'll forget my bucket.
Yep. Well,
now it's only 11 chance. 11%.
Yeah, well, see, it changes. You know, maybe you already used the bucket. Who the hell knows? Maybe you just don't care. Oh man, there's one for Bedell too if he shows up. And Joe, for those who are there's one for Joe as well. Joe is running late. He said it'll probably be a bit be here in about a half an hour or so. Nice. This is great. I'm glad. I'm glad you guys like it. Like I said, I was trying to get it set up for like last week, but I'm just a little bit old.
You're an old man on the interwebs.
Yeah, see, I didn't want to say the whole thing. I didn't want to. I didn't want to go. I didn't want to go. BC, if I knew you were joining us, I would have put a BC one in there. I gotta.
Tech man, cheers, buddy. Did you get your shot glass? I showed it being delivered. So,
whose shot glass is getting delivered?
Tech man, I think his was delivered Wednesday. I was just wondering if you got it.
Wait, why have I got another BC Port Corp? Did you just log in from your computer? Okay. All right, let's boom. There you go. Now you're on. There it is. And it's for Joe's guys. It's
hold on.
All right. For Joe, it's the exclamation point TI for Trade Intuition.
Yeah, I don't get on X too much, Tech man. I don't get on any of those really, so I'm just glad you like it.
Yeah, like I said, if that howling wolf in the background is too much, I'll lower it a little bit because it's starting to annoy me, to be honest. But we'll kind of keep it going low and in the background there. Did you guys get to see that intro? Did you like it?
Yep.
Oh, nice. That wolf is definitely a little repetitive.
Okay, we can shoot it. I shot it. It's dead.
I sent you a bunch of that background music that was just like AI just beats. If you, I don't know if you can play that. It's not repetitive.
Where is it? I didn't see any.
I
AI
sent you
music.
like 30 different songs on Discord that I had made for background music one time.
Oh, I gotta go find that. I don't even know. But I obviously didn't even see it. So yeah, sorry guys. Yeah, we'll just put this on for the moment, just to have something going in the background, and I'll try to upload because I've got some. I did download a Halloween song, but it is what it is here at this point. I was thinking more just the werewolf, and I don't know if you guys saw. Joe said he's going to be logging in a minute here. So
Woot.
awesome. Don't forget the emojis. Indeed. If you're a channel member, get those emojis in the chat. And Jay Violet, reminding you, Jay Violet emoji is in there. Go ahead, bada bing, bada bing, bada bing. Get it in.
Cool.
And in fact, yeah, let me lead the way here. Boom, there it is. All right. Yeah, there you go. Love that hat, Shub. There it is.
My daughter made it for me. She's making her a twisted tea one. I'm like, you got to make me one. I know I got enough cans laying around here somewhere. These are made out of beer cans.
There's Vidal.
Now Vidal's jealous because of the hat.
Now it's the party.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah. Let's cheers. Yes, that's a good idea. Cheers.
What's Fidel been up to this week?
9 in that Fiat. 11 hours yesterday, 10 hours today. Tomorrow I got like a couple hours of digging a trench.
With a machine or like manually?
A shovel.
Oh, that's no fun.
I just gotta well, I gotta buy the conduit first, but I gotta run some solar wire from here to inside. Because it's getting too cold that I can't have the stuff out here. So
right.
I'm gonna put it out in the living room. Well, in the dining room.
Jesse in the house. Welcome.
You said trench? Sorry, I thought you said winch.
No, trench. I gotta put it in conduit, and then I gotta put the conduit in the ground. I'm only gonna go like 3 or 4 inches.
I've heard that before.
Ouch.
Yeah, that's all she gets. That's all she gets.
Oh, and Melissa's here. Welcome, Melissa. Welcome, Melissa. So when do you think you're going to have it done there, Bedell?
I don't know.
Well, I didn't know if you had like what's the word I want, a deadline in mind there.
Before I go to work on Monday, I'd hope.
You got plenty of time then.
Yeah,
there we go. Right.
Starts getting that called out there, then it'd be hard digging.
There you go.
Her dad's coming out to take us out to lunch tomorrow, so that buys a little time. And then we still have to go to the store and buy all the stuff that I need. But I still have to measure out how much conduit I need. Fucking nightmare.
We all got well, like I said, I got to do something for BC. What's BC? Let's see.
BC rant, obviously.
Oh yeah, you know what? How stupid of me. Yes, exactly. All right, let me do that.
What percentage chance am I likely to go on a BC rant?
Yep, there it is.
Can you set that to 100?
Mining Stocks gets it. There we go. Pax G for the win.
And by all means, you got to control things while I'm putting that command in there. So drive away there, BC.
Oh. You want on the bed, puppers? Hold on. I gotta put the dog on the bed.
All right.
He's just like
I read that command.
Pillow.
Say something about username.
What about username?
It says
Is
lurk.
he in here?
No, it says lurk, and I thought it said user is lurking, so I thought that meant it was username was lurking.
No, it says you're lurking.
I got it.
Yeah.
I read it.
Yeah. What's like? It seems it'd be obvious if you just said lurking as well, but it's kind of cool. Well, it's like what I have to do all the time at work, where it's like, oh, well, I'm just gonna be lurking today. I'm listening in.
I'm checking out some of the commands, just playing around too while we're
social.
Yeah, no, that's fine. I'm actually entering the BC command right now here. So, all right.
Oh, that's a good one. Fidel, did you look any at like an electric heating line for your solar panels for Windsor? No. Honestly, it'd be so much easier. You'd never have to like get up there and like brush it off.
Well, it's not that high. Like I can reach the top of a gutter with my step ladder. That's like, or my step back, like 1.5 feet tall. So I was gonna get like a 10 or 15 foot like painter's pole extension.
Yeah.
Put like a soft bristle brush and just fucking brush it off. But that's if we actually get snow this year. So I mean, who knows?
Sorry, I was reading Dan's comment.
There was no chance of rain or anything today. We've already had hail, pea-sized hail, and rain like 20 minutes later. It's like, okay, what kind of Halloween is this?
Now, if I look at CCM on that comment, I think he would be Eminem, like in 30 years.
Okay, I missed the comment. I'm coming back in here now. There we go. I know you guys can still see me.
This one.
Is CCM the anti-boomer? Yes. Yes. Yes, exactly what BC said right there. Yeah.
Oh.
He looks. That's funny. When I looked at myself, I that's what I said. I kind of look like the freaking Star Wars Emperor. I think JR just joined. Oh crap!
Oh, yeah, and then you took him up.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't do it on purpose.
He said,
"How's it going,
JR?
How's it going?
All right, man. How you doing?
Pretty good.
You know what? JR's here, so cheers for JR. Cheers.
Boom, came ready.
Nice. So JR, how's things, man?
Good.
How you been?
Good. Just got off work.
Excellent.
Trade's going good.
Glad you're joining us. What any good trades still hanging in right now or what?
I just entered a towel short, and I'm in a soul long and a soul short.
Schlong it.
Yep.
What does towel looking like?
Here we go. Compound night bot. Bad night bot. Okay. See?
You misspelled the find all CCM's socials or send him at tip at, it should be A instead of at.
Where?
Cointree link.
Fine. Let's see what it says. Maybe I entered it wrong. Find all CCM socials or send him a tip at. Yep. Good catch. Thank you. Yeah, I don't want just the tip. I ain't that kind of guy.
I was gonna say, Keith, are you the effort rating the pussy guy off that news channel?
Oh my goodness!
I don't even know what that is right there that you're talking about.
The old guy, he wears the hood and the glasses, and he runs up behind the camera lady, and he's like, "Fucker rating the pussy."
I honestly have never even seen that.
Oh, pull it up. Run the clip.
Bring it up, BC. I've never even seen it.
That's who I thought you were dressed up as for Halloween.
Oh, hell to the no. I just, it's what I could find. I'm on the road. I'm at my daughter's house. It's what I had with me. It's not like I came packing a Halloween costume.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I don't have one either. I'm just a guy that got off work.
Yeah, I mean, man, I'll tell you, I haven't dressed up for Halloween in I don't know how long.
I'm gonna next year probably.
Kids were little, you know what I mean?
Yep.
Now the kids have kids. Melissa
That's
needs
good though.
a command. Oh, you know what? Let's give her something. Let's see.
That didn't sound good, Keith. Stop.
Oh my goodness.
Sounds kind of good.
Yeah, I know, right?
Depends how you look at it, eh?
So hold on, I found it.
Nice. It's a classic.
I don't know how he hasn't heard it.
Yeah, me neither.
I haven't heard it either.
Okay, so I'm not alone.
The 3 victims were part of a CXS.
Fuck her right in the pussy.
Like, he just does that.
And he goes across the whole country. does it like a random one.
Oh, we got some serious echo.
Yeah, I got echo. It feels like I'm slurring my speech. It's like I'm listening to myself.
I think it was the way BC shared.
Oh yeah, it was a share. Yeah. Either way, that shit's hilarious.
I want to hear it again.
Oh I stopped sharing because the echo. Hold on.
Okay.
He does it a bunch of times, honestly. This is like the whole compilation of him doing it.
Nice.
No audio.
Yeah, there's no audio.
Oh.
I like the little skeleton in the corner, though. It's pretty nice.
You like that?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I tried to do a little something different.
He just does that on live TV. Although I don't know how he keeps getting interviewed, honestly, or like shows up. Like, how would you get interviewed when you're known as that guy?
I know.
Maybe
right?
he did like a tour, like a big spree of them, and like hit up places before news spread about it. I don't know. He's a legend, though.
Yep. Jesse.
I like this. There you go, Nightbot. 100% chance that Jesse needs sleep. There it is. There it is. That's funny. That's funny.
It's funny because it's true.
Facts, though. Oh, you're back. Sorry, Joe. I didn't even hear you. I was so busy with the Nightbot. I didn't even hear you coming on in. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. Happy Halloween. Sorry about that, brother.
No, it's all good.
Joe,
yeah,
what up, Joe?
Well, I can barely see the screen with these glasses, but I wasn't even on that screen. I was busy in Nightbot. So, Joe, what's going on, brother? How's things?
Things are good. Staying busy, which is good because it keeps me out of trouble. So that's always a plus.
Yes, out of trouble is good.
Yep. Oh man. Yeah, these markets, man, it's crazy. If you can make money if you're watching them, but if you're not watching them for that flip or the balance reversal, whatever, it's like
There you go, Joe. 79% chance that you're going to start a story time. There it is.
I love it.
So I figured it out why Keith's dressed that way. He's not at home. He's stealing the neighbor's internet.
Yeah, I knew it.
I am not at home. That's true. Stealing the neighbor's internet? No. Stealing my daughter's internet. But it's the least you can give me. They're off on a family cruise. I'm stuck here with the dogs again in the house.
I mean, you also gave her life.
That's true.
The greatest thing ever.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's a pretty big gift, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Amen. I love you guys. See? There you go. The bot commands for a channel. Yeah, there you go.
Welcome, Redman.
Really? Redman's here? I didn't even see him. Where the hell?
Oh
is he?
yeah, he just got it.
Oh, there he is. There he is. How's it going, bud? Good to see you. You're
Nice.
welcome to come on if you want there, Redman. Yes, may the force be with you.
And cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers,
Yeah,
it
it's
is.
worth it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I'm slacking. Sorry, I'm tired.
I feel it.
Gummies?
Gummy tired, yeah.
I thought about eating one before I got on, but I was chilling on the couch, and she's like, "Hey, it's 5 to 6," and I'm like, they can wait. I'm just tired. I don't know. Tired beat, wore out.
Well, you've had a couple of long days at work. I was surprised that I saw you on the members only live stream last night. But then you're like, oh, mining fiat. I'll have to come back. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I jumped in at kind of towards the beginning before I got too dirty at work. And then after that, I was like, I'm not even touching my phone.
Yep. Oh, I get it. I
got
know.
home and-
I'm sorry.
I
What
got
was that?
home and the missus is like, what the hell happened to you? And I said, I had to clean a coolant tank. She's like, go take a shower. You smell and you're dirty.
That's a fine welcome home. Go take a damn
At least
shower.
she's honest.
Nah, facts. That's true.
Oh, there's times I come home from work and I just strip naked. And my clothes go straight in the dishwasher.
Nice.
And I just walk
The
upstairs,
truth comes out.
and I
That's
just walk upstairs butt naked. I was like, I'm going to take a shower. She don't care. She understands.
Right? Yeah, well, Redman said, smash that like button. Appreciate it.
That is not the story I was expecting from Bedell today.
I wash my clothes in the dishwasher.
Yeah, you wash them in there. That's funny. Well, could be worse. Could be out in the back 40 in the stream going washing them on a rock.
Yeah, I still got
That's very,
to
that's very old man interwebs of you, sir.
Yes, quite actually, quite.
You got to be a certain age to know about that.
Ouch.
What about that one that you take and just wring it through to dry it?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. I've used
I'm
that.
old too.
Have you ever owned like the washboard?
Yes.
Yes.
Oh, see. Like I've never actually seen one in person, so different age.
What about a clothesline? You seen one of those?
Well, yeah, I lived in the South, so
I'm just making
like,
sure. I mean,
it's
Hey, well,
definitely
Redman, thanks for checking in before you leave. Be safe out there, man. Be safe.
Have fun, Redman.
Yeah. Oh, and we got Crypto Billy taking his place in the house. Welcome, sir. Happy Halloween.
Nice.
Happy Bitcoin White Paper Day. Welcome.
Is there a Nightbot command for Billy?
No, I mean, sorry guys, I got it set up. I didn't get all these fancy.
Givers
The
gang.
irony is I wanted a Billy Goat Tails command, and I forgot to do it. So,
Hashtag Givers Gang.
exactly. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Hang tight. So you guys can chat amongst yourselves. BC, you're driving.
All right.
Did you take a trade this morning, BC?
What?
Did you take a trade this morning?
No, I did not. I had a target that I was looking for. It hit like basically 9 a.m. or just after 9 a.m. But like where I'm at work, I don't get good enough internet reception.
Yeah, that's
to,
the worst.
Like enter a trade. So it's like the YouTube when I'm watching it, I have to like have a few minute lag because I have to let the video load some up. Otherwise, it'll just buffer while I'm listening.
Yeah, it's not fun.
But like none of my trading apps will load. So it's like
Yeah. Mine
I
don't
can
out of
set
town
it.
when I'm working out of town either.
I can set it like as a limit order. I just like sometimes I just don't. And it's like my target would have been a little bit higher. My secondary target was like 111,000. So, and I was looking for a short from there because that
Nice.
was the bottom of the old CME gap.
Oh yeah. I don't remember.
But
Oh, I dropped
We'll
that
see.
long off the orb this morning, but I don't remember what the numbers were or nothing.
what, New York?
Yeah.
What, like 10, 8, 10, 7, 110,700, somewhere around there. That would have been London highs.
I don't know. I want to check it. I'm gonna check it real quick. I want to see how far it went.
I don't even know what we're talking about at the moment.
Trading.
know,
Making
but-
money.
Trading what? Bitcoin?
Yeah. You know, using your money to make money.
Yeah, mine only made it to like a 1 to 1.78 RR. But whatever, that's not bad. That's like over halfway.
No.
I hate it when they fake you out on orb. Like when it just goes up a bit and it closes,
Mm-hmm.
and then boom. It
Well,
just
that's
takes-
basically what this morning did.
No, it went like halfway. It went halfway to 1 to 3 RR on the orb. That's not bad for Bitcoin. That's pretty good.
Yeah, for me, I don't like trading the orb. To me, it's more gambling than anything else. For me personally, I
I
like
don't know.
trading
A lot of people trade it with a 60 to 70% win rate, so it's pretty good gambling.
Yeah, I wait about 30 minutes to an hour minimum. But to me, it's gambling. I mean, but the people I watch, I mean, they hit home runs. But it's like no, because most times it fakes.
Everything's gambling if you don't know how to do it properly.
I don't know.
You know what I mean? Like if you trade Elliott wave, but you don't know how to count Elliott waves, gambling. You know?
That's because the orb is much easier to learn than the Elliott waves.
Oh, it's super easy to learn. That's what's awesome about it. Works pretty good. And then London 1 hour orb and Asia 2 hour orb.
Now that is better. Like because if you're doing like the opening 15 minutes, that's when it can, like I said, gambling. But if you're doing,
well, it's just what people back tested. It's just the one with the best results. That's the only reason. All three of them. Like New York 15-minute is the best result, and then Asia 2 hour is the best result, and then London 1 hour is the best result.
Really?
Yeah. Historically, anyway. But I think you have to do something a bunch of times to get to know what's like in, it's little ways.
Right.
Well, normally at like 4 a.m., which is like, that's that London time you're talking about. That's when I enter a trade. Most of the time. It's like
it lines up with your kill zone thing for sure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There you go.
Because it's like you have that first little window of London. It's like the first 3 hours of the day. You have New York kill zone, which is that first 2 hours of our day, and then New York PM, which is the first hour and a half of like the PM session. And then Asia has a big kill zone. It's like a 4 hour window, but that's because you get like Tokyo market open, then you get Shanghai market open, then you get in like the western half of China's open, and then you get like India open. So like a lot of money flows in back to back to back to back, and then you can kind of see that switch of trend with London. London new market opens, or you'll see that continuation of trend off London.
Yeah, London's pretty good.
But you get, like,
membership has
coming into the
its
market at once when you're talking about
Welcome to the CCM family.
Thank you to Dave Digital dropping 5 gift memberships. Sorry that started out so low. Appreciate you, man. Dave Digital, huge supporter. Don't forget, tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Dave Digital, Simple Terms Podcast. Sorry, guys, I didn't mean to cut off your conversation, but I wanted to get that out there.
Oh, I work
No
tomorrow.
worries.
That sucks. I'm gonna miss it.
You can always watch it later.
Yeah,
'cause it's
after
live,
work I probably will.
you can watch it later.
It's just more fun live.
Yeah,
True.
for sure.
Oh man. Oh, you know what? It is Bitcoin white paper day. I queued up this video. It's like 2 minutes long. I don't know if everybody's seen it yet or not. I shared it on X. Let me play it real quick and then we can kind of jump back in here. Let me add that to stage. All right, here we go.
It was Halloween night, 2008. While the world carved pumpkins and told ghost stories, a real horror was unfolding in silence. For decades, our money had been rotting from the inside, printed without restraint, stitched together with lies, and kept alive like a corpse on life support. Prices rose like shadows creeping up the wall. Savings evaporated like mist, and the money printer kept chanting its spell, turning value into dust, one silent click at a time. People felt the dread, but couldn't name the monster because it wore the disguise of normal. On that eerie October night, a message appeared. No fanfare, no spotlight, just 9 pages, posted to the void, signed by a name no one could trace, Satoshi Nakamoto. It didn't shout, it didn't boast, but those who read it felt a shiver, as if a door had opened somewhere, a door that was never meant to be found. The printer didn't stop. In fact, it screamed louder in the years that followed. The nightmare only grew. Yet in that October darkness, a light sparked that the shadows could not swallow. And every year since, it's only grown brighter. Halloween 2008. The night money changed forever.
I thought that was pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, sweet.
And Daniel Diaz would argue with you about the whole money point, though.
Yeah, he did last night during the members only live stream.
How long were you guys live last night?
Just about an hour, maybe a little bit more than an hour. It wasn't meant to go long, to be completely honest. It was just meant to cover that particular information, and he got through a lot of that for especially talking about setting up trusts, LLCs, and how to break it up. With the trifecta, I added into that a bunch of information sheets, so there's links in the description of that video to all that information, and I'm updating it as I'm adding getting more. So I don't know, I thought it was pretty good. Damn it, Dave was there last night. He asked a lot of questions actually, and I don't know if he's lurking in the background here, but if you are, Dave, tell me how you like that. And yeah, anybody else during that live stream, or did you go back and watch it after the fact?
No, I haven't yet.
Yeah, not yet. I got home from work a little bit before I jumped on.
I get it. I understand. No worries. I was just curious how everybody liked it.
So normally on some videos, I just gotta download them and then actually listen to them at work.
There you go.
It runs way better.
I understand. Oh, that's okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to catch.
What? Did you have good?
I was in a drawdown
Remember,
nap.
for
I
2
think.
months. Yes, time does fly, man.
Oh, did you have good pushback against Daniel on the Bitcoin being money?
Well, not so much, only because again, that's not what that particular stream was about. It was meant to be okay, crypto inheritance and thinking like estate planning, that kind of thing. So, I don't care if you think Bitcoin for the purposes of that video, doesn't matter to me if you think Bitcoin's money or not, doesn't matter. Because it was also like, okay, you can put whatever assets, gold, real estate, whatever, into these entities. You know what I'm saying? And obviously, crypto was part of that. So,
I would like to sit down and have that debate with them. Well, it's like because I heartedly agree that Bitcoin is money. It meets all of your classifications of what money is. Money is a hard asset that preserves your purchasing power over time.
Yep.
Isn't that what Bitcoin does? Are you going to tell me that it doesn't? But his whole argument was, oh, well, if the internet goes down, I'm like, you don't need the internet to run Bitcoin. All you need is radio signals.
Can you imagine if it was not anonymous to where there was a person behind it? It would not have survived past a month.
Oh,
because just like all these cars that could run off of water and steam, the developers of those or the inventors, well, they went missing. So
they would have strung him up by his toenails. And I love Dave Digital's comment here. My mom used to call me "Damn it, Dave."
Did you see what Tucker said about Bitcoin? Where he said like the whole reason he won't invest with it is because there's like a mysterious creator that made Bitcoin. He has no idea who it is. I'm like, so the whole reason you won't buy Bitcoin is the whole reason that a bunch of us actually trust Bitcoin.
Exactly.
The fact that there's not a controlling entity. Someone just did good for the world in our digital age and highlighted the point and the fallacies of the fiat system. And if you're going to compete in a digital age, you need digital money. And gold's great. Don't get me wrong. I love gold, but like it's a whole lot harder to move around than me clicking a button and sending it over as code.
Yeah. If you're using physical gold, you're absolutely right. I mean, if you're using electronic gold, then whatever. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. It's like the Kinesis platform. And the reason I talk about that one so much is because it's already built on the Stellar blockchain. You know what I'm saying? So it's verifiable. Like
I don't trust electronic gold as much as I do Bitcoin, though.
Well,
because like you have to trust a person, right? That says, "Yeah, bro, I got this gold for sure, bro." And with Bitcoin, it's like you actually get the piece of it. You know?
I'd much rather have physical gold. Same.
Yeah.
I have to trust some dude that says I got the gold in the vault.
Trust me, bro.
The same way that the same way that our governments are like, yeah, trust me, bro. I got gold in Fort Knox.
Yeah, right.
Like the same way that they're like, we're not gonna screw you with our fiat dollar. We're not gonna print it into oblivion and destroy your purchasing power. Like, I'm not in crypto because I trust people. So why would I buy a system that inherently makes me have to trust someone? It wins. Even in gold, you need a third-party intermediary. So if I was to pay you in physical gold, are you going to go get that gold verified? Probably. It was like, did this dude fuck me over or not? So you need a third-party intermediary to tell you that what you just gave that person is a legitimate asset. You don't need that with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's even better hard money than gold is.
Yeah, you can't water Bitcoin down. Like with metal.
Yeah, there's that. I mean, there's also like you can't make a fake Bitcoin the way that you can make a fake gold bar.
That's what I mean, right? Totally.
I don't know. Like, and that's why I'd love to sit down and have this debate with them. And it's like, you can't tell me that it meets every single criteria that you have for money, but Bitcoin ain't money.
Anything that people value and trade, I think, is considered money to me.
And that's my thought process about the whole thing. Okay,
agree.
if you can use it, people use it to exchange goods for services. It doesn't matter if a government says, yeah, that's money. It's money. Boom, done deal. What it is.
Well, it's
Yeah.
like, I mean, yes, but not if you make your own like private. The government can't even tell you that Bitcoin isn't money. How are you going to regulate that? You might be able to stop me from like having a crypto exchange that operates in my country, but it's like I can go buy it from the miner. You cannot stop the Bitcoin system. So it's like the government can say it's not money all at once. Stop me from using it.
Well, but that's my point. That's literally my point. You know, it doesn't matter what the government says. Pick whatever it is. Maybe, you know, Bitcoin doesn't become the monetary unit. Maybe it's Litecoin. Don't people hang me and screw me up or whatever. But like, but seriously though,
Bitcoin
you know,
I appreciate Litecoin. I appreciate Litecoin. I'm not going to buy it, but I appreciate what Litecoin does.
Yep. Like I said, for spending day to day, I've come to love Dash. Just love Dash. It's this. Bam. It's done. It's done instantly and final.
And it keeps growing in value.
And it keeps, lately, I'll tell you what, it's definitely doing pretty dang good.
Really?
Yep. Shuby made out. I ended up paying him in Dash, and like, I don't know, it was like $25 at the time. Now it's up near $50 at this point. So he made out all right.
Nice.
It was a little more than that, and I've got more than that and Coinbase that I use for trading, but it keeps going up, so I'm not trading because it's doing so good.
There you go.
Oh, yeah,
And I think that's a sleeper. You know, a lot of people saying, "Oh, these Dino coins, they're going to be the ones that, you know, might do well as we, you know, move on in this cycle. Whether you think we're still in the bull cycle or not, it doesn't matter. But Dash is one of those Dino coins that's going to do well. I think it is. As Dino coins go, I think it's undervalued, and especially for the value proposition of how you can use it.
And if Keith don't care, I'll tell you what he paid me, and I'll tell you what it's worth now.
I don't care.
It was $85 when he paid me. And my Tangent wallet is $110.04. I transferred some to Coinbase, and there's still $52.19 in there.
Nice.
So, I mean, I transferred some over. I'm like, I'm going to take some of the profits and put it in something else. Well, I can't because it just keeps going up. I don't look at it every day either, though. I look at it like weekly, monthly. I'm not a trader. You know?
Yep.
But
and Gear got a free one of the gift memberships. Welcome. Appreciate you. All kinds of stuff. For those who just got memberships, by the way, I'm sorry. We got off on conversations and I forgot. Listen, lots of stuff in the YouTube membership section. All kinds of videos, posts, etc. And last night I had my first members only live stream. Great information there. Go ahead and check that out. You'll find it on my YouTube channel, set aside for members. So go ahead and check all that stuff out. Also, pretty much weekly, I put out an update to the ebook that I'm writing for cryptocurrency, and you guys get to, one, see it first, and two, help me to make revisions, additions, subtractions, whatever you want. That's a members only perk, so please take advantage of that.
Nice.
Whereas I gotta step away for like 5 minutes. I gotta go inside. It's too cold out here.
Dude, I get it. Go, man.
It's no fun because I can't smoke inside anymore. So, but at least it's warm.
I was gonna say I won't tell her if you don't tell her.
she lives there now.
No.
She'll smell it.
I'll
be back in a few.
Tells me to know.
All right. Yeah, right now it's 62 where I'm at, and it feels like
Lucky.
55. It's cold.
Lucky. It's like 46 here and feels like 40.
Jeez, that's cold.
Yeah, and it's just coming in. Oh, good lord.
The laser
Honestly,
cave is 73.8 because I got the heater on.
Nice.
Could you take me off the screen, Keith?
Yeah.
Don't do it. Just kidding.
Yeah, now we can see the skeleton dancing in the corner. There we go.
Boom.
It's doing the Thriller dance.
That's right.
That's dope.
I thought I was saying hi to Joe.
Yeah.
He's like, trade, up and down, this way, that way, something like that.
We could make it do that. I get a little music in the background for Joe. Yeah.
What I would like to do in the future for JR and for BC, just elaborate more on y'all's trading strategy when it comes to the orbs, the different time frames, because that sounded pretty interesting in reference to depending on what session, depending on what that, to me, that's really smart, because like I said, you can't use, well, in my opinion, you can't use the same thing for different volume. So
yeah, different environments. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Well, so like for me, it's mainly just about like that market open time. So like it's also like a stock thing for like trading gold futures. That's why like gold futures are great, because you get that inflow of capital from all over the world, and like that market open time over and over and over. Or like in London's, when you're having 4 countries come in at once. So it's London, Germany, France, and then there's one other big exchange. It's got a lot of currency coming in at that time. That's how I learned about those kill zones. And then it also just happens to work for Bitcoin. So actually, I'll just show you. So
yeah, it's like a lot of people, like a lot of money comes to the market and they kind of scrap it out at the beginning, and then eventually the bulls or the bears, one wins, and then that's the way it goes for a while.
So usually. Like, here's one where it's like, this is New York PM.
Those are 1 hour candles.
30th. These are 1 hour candles.
Okay.
So you can't really see kill zones on those higher time frames because it's such a smaller time frame thing. So it's like, here you have New York PM, New Asia opens, you get above support, continuation of trend, you get up to a resistance area in the middle. That's that like 50% line on my fib extensions there. That's your resistance area where there was higher resistance above it. Pullback, continuation up in the later half of their day. You get that London open, you reject you with that rejection off of your resistance. London open, change direction.
Yeah, between sessions they'll try to sweep each other's liquidity too, eh?
Mm-hmm. So like that's where you have New York AM, sweep London's liquidity, drop low, sweep liquidity towards the downside, consolidate.
Yeah, it's like a battle. It's awesome.
It
is.
It really is. It's a whole psychological battle, and that's where it's like you can look at charts all day, but like, do you also understand the psychology behind why it did that thing? And that's like the big part of trading that a lot of people just kind of neglect, where it's like you have those market opens. Well, what might Asia do? Is it going to take more money for me to push it down, or is it going to take like less money for me to push it up, continue trend? That's why you have like moves like this. Get up to resistance. You've already got a lot of momentum behind you. Continue that money flow going on in, shoot it up with some strength. You're up at resistance. Well, how do I clear some of those people out of there? Drop it down, clear out anyone that got long late. I was like, oh crap, I missed it. Hopping on in, boom, you're out of here. Continue it up to the upside.
Yep.
Like, yeah, for me, I know price is going to come down because it's going up. So that retracement right there, if you do a fib retracement from the swing low to the swing high, that's a good between 38 and 50%, and that's, in my opinion, that's a good higher
382
all the way to the high.
Well, it's like, and that's how you can also find levels here, because it's like this whole this whole move to the downside was also a fib level. And it's like you pull from lows here to highs here, you got a 50% down.
Yeah. So, and that's how I would look at it. To where it keeps on going up. Yeah, that's how I would look at it. To where it keeps on going up.
That's also how you can find those levels off of. It's like, okay, if I'm looking for a rejection here, where might I look for a long entry? It's like you already kind of know the psychology of what kind of move it's going to do. I'm looking for this for rejection. I was looking for that CME gap for it to be New York AM's rejection, and I was looking for a short.
Right, and like right now, what I don't want to see is I don't want to see a break of that newly created low, the recent one about 6 hours ago. I don't want to see the break of that, because then if we break that, then there's a real good chance that we might go to the 786 on that retracement. Hopefully we can bounce up depending if the market gets bullish. But normally when it breaks the 618, like I'm always like, oh man, hopefully we can push the momentum up, but we may just break the next low and then keep on going down.
Yep.
I was talking about this morning a whole bunch of lower levels too. So it's like we got that first level down here I was kind of looking for, which we already wicked. So it's like there's liquidity down there.
Right.
So like that's another draw. I don't know, like the 105 to 106. We got to lose 108 though. CCM.
Yes.
I got another stock for you.
Okay.
This was on my AI list, my new AI list that I dropped. So it's MP. It does rare earth minerals. It's a US based company. A lot of money just flooded in from Japan with what the Trump administration is trying to do. So massive push towards the upside. Buying potential heading our way here soon.
Nice. I appreciate that. Thank you. Write that down.
MP.
Got it.
Anybody got anything they were looking at this week?
Nope.
Oh, Link's supposed to have a conference or something, eh? Aren't they? And last time they had a conference or something, they pumped like I don't know, 30% or something. I forget. But supposedly, anyways, last time Link had this conference, they pumped real rank, and now they're having the conference again. Plus, isn't there a Bitcoin conference in Amsterdam on like November 10th or something? So maybe these two conferences might double pump that. Possibly.
I don't follow Link conferences, but normally Bitcoin conferences don't do a whole lot on price.
They usually pump into and throughout the conference and then dump at the end of it. The last few did.
I mean, when I was at Bitcoin conference, there wasn't anything going on. There was there wasn't any crazy price action. Not even off anything that was said at there. Like when Michael Saylor spoke, like you would expect, because I was live streamed, but like no price action.
I'd love to go to Amsterdam. That'd be so awesome.
I don't think you make it out of the airport. That's such a blast, dude. We're waiting for you, man. Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant because of the security check.
Oh no.
Like they wouldn't let me out of the country once they check my record. They'd be like, "No,
that's
sorry,
reason
bro."
number 2.
It's because you still be flying high.
Oh yeah. I'd be there in spirit, Jesse. Live stream, Jesse. Jesse should go to the conference and live stream it for us.
There you go. I like that answer. There we go. And Shub, I don't know if you can see your screen's not up.
It's just
not that matters. Not that matters, but
it looks good.
I'm pretty much
Agreeing with that, man. Yeah, bro, that'd be dope.
And yeah, to the red light district. There you go.
Yeah, straight there. I thought USDT dominance was gonna tank kind of more, and it looks like it went halfway through the tank, and now it's like curving back up, and that's kind of shitty. I was hoping for a weekend pump there. Still could, but
could.
Do you guys watch that USDT dominance or Bitcoin dominance?
Sometimes, but like I don't really care about Bitcoin dominance.
Well, when Bitcoin dominance rejects, alts get a pump. That's the only reason
Yeah.
you watch it.
But it's like I don't care because I'm only in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah, if you're only trading Bitcoin, it definitely doesn't matter. Not at all.
For me, I don't look at it unless my viewers want me to look at it. Because the way I see it is USDT dominance or Bitcoin dominance. It's the overall of the market. But we can see what the market is doing because it's either going up or down. And
yeah,
just be like your coin, let's say Link, even though the USDT dominance is going up and the market's getting affected and most coins are going down because people are getting out of their coins. That's the reason for USDT going up.
Yeah.
Link can be going up too. So the way
there's outliers.
Yeah. So the way I look at it is I would rather look at my coin versus like the entire market.
Yeah, just focus on the coin you're doing. Yeah. That makes sense, bro.
Yeah, and then there's times where, like I said, like it looks like, let's just say Bitcoin dominance is bouncing and then it breaks through. So I mean, to me, I'd rather look at the way I look at it is like a weatherman. You know, instead of saying it's going to rain in your country, is it going to rain in my street? That's what I want to know. And that's why I look at the dominance versus the actual coin. But I still look at it though, because my people will want me to see it. Or
requests and stuff.
And Sadie's in the house. Cheers to you, Sadie.
Like honestly, it doesn't get requested that often. So it's like I think like the first time in like a month or so, I looked at Bitcoin dominance because someone brought it up and was like, "Can you take a look at it?" I'm like, "Okay," because it's like I never pay attention to it. So it's like, oh well, what actually is Bitcoin dominance doing? And it's like, if I cared about alts, I'd pay attention like that. But it's like I haven't been in alts since March of 24, and like the last time I really paid attention to Bitcoin dominance was last cycle. Because I was in ADA and I was in Link and I was in Bitcoin Cash. So like those that mattered to me. Those were the biggest parts of my bag. And that's how I made pretty much all my money last cycle.
Nice.
Yeah. And again, when it comes to the dominance, like, and I am in alts. So like, but I mean, if you just think about it, if Bitcoin dominance is, affecting the market, we're already seeing it in the market. It's just showing you, oh, Bitcoin dominance is up or Bitcoin dominance is down.
Right.
But we're already seeing it. It's kind of like people who show you the chart and say, we have money flow coming in and we have the RSI did a divergence and it came down. Like they're telling me what already happened. I want to know what's going to happen. Now you could say, well, Bitcoin dominance is bouncing right now and it's coming up, so the alts are going to get hit. But if the alts go up, then the dominance could bounce or break through that support level. So it's kind of like it's telling me what the market is doing, but I'm in the market. If I wasn't in the market, then I would care about it. But I mean, I still look at it. But to me, it's. I really don't. I don't see why. I don't I hope y'all understand what I'm trying to say.
I gotta level with you guys, bro. I'm not really a trader. I just play one. I just play one in chat.
Play one on TV. Yeah, there you go.
Just play one in chat.
Well, your results show otherwise, man.
I'm just joking. But yeah, no, there's definitely outliers though, for sure.
Yep, there you go. And I haven't brought this up to, beside talking about who was in the lead and that kind of thing, but really quick, because we got a few new names. Basically, every Friday night, I try to show you how you can take $25 every week and change your wealth profile. And the reason I settle on 25 and I don't talk so much like Piper with the dynamic DCA is because I'm coming from the perspective of, you know what, I'm sitting here scraping $25 together, and I figure I ain't the only one. So you know, it's like, you know, the listen, love Piper, and his plan will outpace this plan, but if you don't, like, so for example, if you don't got $75 when it's a 3x DCA,
yeah,
what's the point? So
like me, man, on payday, I got money on payday. I buy some Bitcoin and stuff. Like,
yep.
But
I mean, if you've got the money, follow it, man, because you'll make more money at the end of the day. But
oh yeah, for sure.
You know, but so basically what happens is I take $25, 15 goes into Bitcoin, the other 10 you guys vote here live on the stream where the other $10 goes. It changes up every 6 months, and then at the end of 6 months I take all the crypto and put it on a hardware wallet, a Tangem to be exact, and it gets put aside for my grandkids. This last half of 2025, these are your choices: Beam, Link, Pax G, so you know, digital gold here, and Render. And right now, or as of coming into the stream, Link was in the lead, so we'll see what happens with that. Voting goes for about another 50 minutes, just so everybody is aware.
And DCA, I mean, geez, man, we've seen it, especially this cycle. That's the way to go. Oh my gosh. You know, last cycle, you could put money in anything and feel like a genius 10 months later because of 10, 12, 14.
Oh, hell yeah.
This time around, man, you're lucky, you know, just making some money as it's going up and down, you know. But there's none of this, you know, holding it like we could last time.
Yeah, it's rough. It's so rough.
Yeah, dude.
I joined at the worst time.
Well, depends on what you bought.
No, I mean for trading, man. Like I could have had it made in the shade back in the day. Yeah. Just long, you know? Not anymore.
Yep. No, facts, man. Facts.
So it's like, but like the bear market is when you really learn how to trade.
I feel like this has been pretty shitty.
You can trade in a bull market.
Yeah.
But if you
last year was pretty bearish.
If you can trade in a bull market, it doesn't necessarily mean you can trade in a bear market.
Right.
Yep.
Yeah,
I think it's been a shitty bull market though.
Yeah, I went through the whole genius phase where, you know, I just got into the market. Everything's going up. I felt like a freaking genius. You know, I would tell people, you know, I think it's going to do X, you know, this or this, and sure enough, it would do it by the end of my live stream. And man, I felt like I was a genius.
Yeah.
And then
I'm the king of the world.
Dude, I'm telling you, man, I got humbled quick, man. I got so humbled because then I wasn't winning as much. And then it was difficult to win. But that's because the market had changed. And when I was learning, I had 5 mentors. I paid some money. I paid some money for these 5 mentors, and they showed me everything in the bull market, as opposed to warning me about the bear market. There's segments in each market: the beginning, middle, and end. So you have to know how to trade, or at least adjust your trading style per segment. You know, and if you're back testing, you know, if you're back testing in a bearish market, your bullish signals or your bullish trades aren't going to play out as well as in a bullish if you're doing the back testing. So that's
different results.
And that's one thing I warn people too when they do their back testing. You know, you have to kind of know what market you're in. Are you in the bear market or the bull market, and what stage? Because like I said, you could think, man, like this is amazing I just learned a new skill and I just learned a new, theory, but you're doing your back testing in only the bull market. So everything's going up. And then when you actually apply it, you're like, man, I'm losing a lot of money. What's going on? Well, they didn't tell you about that part.
Right.
Yeah. I knew a guy who just he put a half his order in when he first started. I never had a lucky streak when I first started. I lost a lot first 4 months, but he said when he first started, he just put half his order on the 382 and the other half on the 618, and he's like, I made so much money, man, for months. It was awesome. And I'm like, frick, I wish I got that kind of intro, man. That would have been dope.
Nice.
I lost like 10K.
That's kind of what it was like spot buying last cycle, which is why everyone talked about alts. Well, it's like
I will take care of that, Jay Violet.
I was buying alts at like a Cardano at like 20 cents.
Ooh,
and it went up to like $3. I bought in
so
all
dope.
the way up to $1 and then rode it up to like $3 and then sold out
so
everything.
sweet. That's
It's
awesome.
like that, but that was every project last cycle, which is why everyone is like focused on those alts this cycle.
Yeah, it's not paying off.
Yeah. Well, you didn't really need to trade last cycle. What was the point? It's like you throw anything at any like poop coin that's out there. Like it doesn't even have to do anything. It's just like, is it a crypto? Well, it's gonna pump. And that's not the case this time at all. And like it's been a painful lesson to a lot of people. And like that's why you've seen a bigger prevalence of this trading this time, where it's like there's so many assets out there, and why nobody's really putting crazy money into them. They're all just trading them. And you have the people that like have that bigger amount that like make the markets on whatever coin. You get in early enough with enough money, like you're a whale of that project, and like you control the price action basically. Like if you want to dump it on people's heads, you dump it on people's heads. Like, and that's why I don't like that. When it's like, I just want to be in Bitcoin.
Yeah, Bitcoin's the shit. I made the most just holding Bitcoin long term. Just in like 2 years. Just like put a bunch of my money at work. Put like $4,000 or something in. And like a year or two later, it was like 12G. I was like, what? That was a good time. Then I started day trading. 4 months, I like burned through it. I'm like, wow, this is hard. So hard.
And see,
I didn't watch one video either. I just jumped right in live account. What's 100x do? What's that? That seems like that's like spot gains, but like 100 times faster, right? Nope. Nope.
Yeah. I mean, like, yes and no. So
I knew nothing. It was so horrible, bro.
Yeah, no, it's a different.
It's funny looking back though.
But that's a big part of why, like the biggest part that I can really teach is like find a good asset, buy it, keep buying it, keep buying it, keep buying it, and just hold it for the next 20 years. You're gonna be fine.
Even 8 or 12 years.
Project. It's like I make money in the short term, but it's like I'll sell it off when we get to resistance levels, buy back in a little bit lower, so I increase my purchasing.
Like day trading is dope, but like practice day trading with dollars, with like pocket change, and like just long term invest and practice with pocket change. And one day when you know how to flip that pocket change into a bigger chunk of change, consider using more size. But until then, it's just a waste. Like no one's awesome at day trading when they just show up, you know?
Well, like also the ratios on like day trading winning is like a little bit harder, which is why I stick to that swing trading. I was like, okay, if I get in at the better entry, I can just ride this out for the next 2 weeks and I'm fine.
Yeah, it's easier for sure. But like if you're good at day trade, there's something to be said about a good day trade. Like people make money at it.
Mm-hmm.
Like there's institutional day traders.
Yeah,
and
but
scalpers
they're
and
also
shit.
It's like, but it's not hard. They're shooting for like a 0.5%.
Yeah,
They're
no,
trading with like $50 billion. They're like,
yeah, no, it's
we
way
have
easier.
everyone's money here, so we're gonna buy here, sell out, or like move the entire market. That's why you see that pre-market time.
But
That pre-market
each
time is all them.
person trading doesn't get billions of dollars. They have like each person gets like an account. It's like a certain amount, and so a lot of them like lose lots of the money. Like when they first show up, and they're like new, they like roast a bunch of money, and like they have to learn live and shit. And it's a thing. It's cool. There's
You
lots of
warm now,
interviews on
Bedell?
it, like S&B Capital and stuff. Interviews.
I'm getting there. Also waiting for the gummy to kick in.
Oh,
there
he's
it
gummied
is.
out
There
on
it
the
is. The
couch.
gummy on board. Gummy on board.
Cheers to the
I
gummy.
about
cheers
ate
to
the
the gummy.
50,
Cheers
but
to the gummy.
instead I cut the 50 in half, so I ate 25.
Back.
yeah. Meow. Meow.
Full sends or no sense, brother.
I mean, I got a 200 if you want to come over and eat that.
I would F that up
okay,
right now.
Adele, I will be there in like 16 hours, I guess.
Pack it up.
And that's fine. We can go live tomorrow night too.
Yeah, I don't think I'd be awake for that. Like, I could take it. I'm gonna go to sleep eventually. I'm gonna get some amazing sleep. I'm gonna wake up
Yeah.
sometime Sunday.
You might wake up Sunday. You might wake up Monday.
No, I'll wake up Sunday at some time. I'll be like groggy as hell, and then I'll be like, okay, well, it's time to
Hungry.
get one thing done. It's like, we're at least gonna do the laundry, and then we're going back to bed. Like, it's been forever. Like, I really don't do that much anymore. So it's like 200 milligrams would put me on my butt. Like, for
yeah.
good.
I mean, I'm more of like 10 to 15, depending on which ones they are. But I figured tonight, whatever. No kids. It's Halloween, and I ain't got nothing to do besides this. So.
Oh yeah, we're special. Bedell's doing more.
That now I could go for a good night's sleep though too.
Oh, tell
Well,
me
who
about it.
couldn't? But who couldn't? It's always a
This
good time.
weather is just crazy.
Jesse's been practicing sleeping. He's getting better at it.
He's been practicing sleeping.
Yeah, he has. He's been trying really hard.
Oh shit, that's funny. That's funny.
I think it's higher than that. Let's get him talking.
That's all we need. Once you start talking, that's it.
Yeah.
That Nightbot thing, that's really funny, guys. And is that like a YouTube? Like, how does that happen?
Yeah, what's up with that? How's that work?
Yeah, that it's its own. You go to nightbot.tv and then you connect it to your well, you can connect it to Discord, you can connect it to YouTube, Twitch, whatever. But it comes with some pre-programmed commands. But then you can go in and pretty much, as you've seen these guys, I didn't have all these commands going on. They've been adding them as they go here. So
that is really cool. That's funny. I love it.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun, especially if you got an active chat. So
right.
Can someone add the fart command, please?
It is there, but it doesn't. It just has. Go ahead, hit it. It is there. It's only emojis though.
Oh,
Yeah, that's all that's needed. Yeah, I love it.
I can't wait to get my computer, man. That's gonna be sweet. I'll be able to chat and do this at the same time.
So, were you gonna build it yourself, or are you gonna pay someone to do it?
I'm just gonna order the most expensive one I can afford and tell them to make sure there's a 64 something RAM. What do you guys call it?
Yeah.
RAM memory.
64 gigabytes of RAM.
Yeah. At least some 64 action there, and then a good video card.
You'd be fine with 32. Just
think
run it
so?
on the highest.
I'm pretty hardcore though.
On what?
I don't know. Don't I need 64?
He doesn't
bro?
know, but he's
I'm gonna-
hardcore, man.
I'm gonna like do lots of stuff on it. Like, don't I need
Yeah,
64?
but that doesn't matter. Like, it honestly doesn't. Like 32 gigabytes of RAM is going to be more than enough for everything you need. Why spend more?
Yeah, smut
Like,
channel.
Are you gaming and streaming?
Yeah.
And all of that at
Yeah.
the same time?
Yeah. Yeah, probably. Because we
I
do
mean,
gaming
even
with
then,
OC. We're gaming with OC.
So most games only require 16 gigabytes of RAM. Anything extra, if you're like streaming, you're not taking up anything. Like
What
right
about
now with
that cornucopias game and shit? What about that? Those
Uh-huh.
type of games?
you're not gonna take up much. Like
No?
I've got 64 gigabytes of RAM, and it's like I'm not even using like 20% right now.
See, you got 64. You know what I'm talking about, right? 64. That's where
Yeah,
it's
but
at.
I also game. Like
Yeah, me too.
4K gaming, not like what you'd end up doing. It's like
How do you know? I like to explore, bro. I like to
Yeah,
explore.
but-
I might run into all sorts of crazy games.
What you were shooting for, like a 3060 in yours, or were you shooting for the upper one?
What's that? What's the 3060?
Your GPU.
I don't know, bro. It took me
40
forever to
series?
memorize 64 and a better video card, bro.
Oh boy, he needs to talk to
That's all I
somebody
got.
here about a computer before he just buys one.
But that's
I
I
just-
try
that's why
talking to
you trying
people.
tell them
They
to
just
build
don't.
one.
They don't
It's like,
tell
bro,
me
we
shit.
can build you one for cheaper, and it's not that hard. Like, it's really not that hard.
What's that?
I don't
PC
know.
pickers? Is that
What?
what it is? BC? Do you know what it is? PC pickers?
PC part
Yeah.
picker. I
Yeah,
already
PC
picked him
part
out a
picker.
whole list of parts. It's just getting him to spend.
That was
less
too
and
mid,
get a
though.
better
That was
PC.
too mid.
What
bro.
you did? Yeah, you upped.
That
your
was
budget.
before. Yeah,
You
no.
upped
Now
your
it's
budget.
bigger though. Now it's bigger though. So
Yeah, so it's like it's super.
I can't
easy.
just dream up a bunch of stuff I don't know about.
No. But also, like, you upped your budget, but then you were also like, well, screw building it myself. I'm like, okay, then. Well, why am I gonna pick you out parts if you're not gonna build one?
No, I was open to the idea. You were just
Okay.
busy. I think you were busy.
No, you just gotta hit my line. I'll pick the parts out. I
That's
can do
what
it
you said
right
you were
now.
gonna.
I'm on
You already
it.
told. No, I've been waiting for the list. You said you were gonna. Check the check the DM, bro.
Yeah, do you have like any mechanical experience, like putting things together, building stuff?
Yeah, I like to. I can build stuff. I'm a builder.
So building a computer is pretty easy. It's
Mhm.
just the wire management and making it look good.
I mean,
Is
that
the
doesn't
hardest
matter.
part.
That
I mean,
like,
anybody.
honestly,
I swear, like almost anybody can put a computer together.
Oh,
and make
I
it
imagine I could. I just don't know the. I just didn't want to learn like a bunch of like what parts were what and all these like.
It's all
you know, I
labeled.
just trusted people that were smarter to like figure that out.
And that's what that link that he was telling me about, that's what that does. It tells you if it's compatible. And
Yeah,
it
that's what
all-
this dope computer store does too that I found.
yeah,
That's what I mean.
Hold on. But like,
Just
you
for
like
that 500.
right?
And it's like 2 hours away. What?
You like YouTube, right?
Yeah, I love me some YouTube.
So like,
yeah.
there's this really cool invention called YouTube that'll show you how to build a PC.
I know,
in, like,
but
a
I'm not gonna
20-minute
trust some dude on
video.
YouTube that tells me what parts to use.
But I
I didn't wanna learn
There's
about
those
it.
videos too. There's those videos too.
Yeah,
I'll
but
tell you
I'm
what.
trying to get really good at trading, and that's really hard.
Yeah,
So I'm just gonna
I'll-
focus on that.
Do you have a
I was
micro
just gonna
center
mention.
near you?
What's that?
Do you have a micro center near you?
No, I got this Canadian store. It's a computer store. They build them for you and shit.
Yeah, but
It's
where
like
do they
$100
ship
for them to build it.
it? Okay, because I was
So
saying,
yeah, it's
my
not like a big
desktop-
deal.
My
That's what I
desktop
mean.
was like $1,800, and they charged me $100 to put it all together in wire management, but they wanted $250 to install Windows. After I had to buy Windows, I said, no, just build a computer.
Yeah.
I want to hear what
Yeah.
you're doing.
No, I think it's a good deal because I don't know. I'm hot. It's easy. I got like
I mean, for $100, fuck yeah, I'd just have. them
Yeah,
build it in wire
I got
management.
like 2,000 or a little more or whatever. Like I thought I could just grab one, you know. instead of
Yeah.
learning a bunch of stuff. When I'm already trying to learn a bunch of stuff, it's like trying to cram like 10 liters of knowledge into a 2-liter jug, man. That's how I describe learning day trading. Trying to cram 10 liters into a 2-liter jug. Like, fuck. So much shit to learn.
Joe, what were you gonna say? Because I wanted to hear it. No, he's not gonna say it.
It's playing hard to get.
He's waiting for me.
No, I built like 4 computers so far. I started out with the cheapest one. It was like $350 for everything.
Nice.
That's where I started out. I mean, it was just cheap. And
Yeah,
then
nothing
the
wrong
next
with
one,
that.
I'm like, okay, now I'm going to build me a computer. And I built about a $1,200 computer, waited for the right prices, waited for the right parts. Took me about 6 months. And I paid $600 for about a $1,200 computer.
Yeah.
You know,
Mhm.
so
That's why I was saying, just like you could buy the parts and you could get way
Yeah, but
better
did
parts.
you keep in mind, he said 6 months.
but you got Black Friday coming up here just in what?
I'm trying to cut the 6 months out and just grab it, you know?
Well, I mean, you got Black Friday coming up at what, the 28th, I think. So less than 30 days. You can find
Yeah.
a lot of that stuff as a
You
hell of
get
a deal.
really good
Yeah, no,
deals on-
that store that I have 2 hours away, bro. They have build a computer on their website. You can build a computer, pick
Yeah, but
custom parts and stuff. I just don't know all the custom parts to pick, right?
Yeah, you're also gonna pay a premium on it, so it's like
Joe,
you could get the
That's
parts.
fine, bro. That's fine. That's okay.
So
Joe's
here's
ready.
the thing, like you can get all the parts, but for me personally, and I build computers. For me personally, my time is better spent trading versus getting all the wires and watching videos and seeing if this connects to the motherboard or where it connects to the motherboard. So it's basically leveraging your time. I'm going to pay somebody $200, $250 to do it. And yes, it may take a day or two, but I don't have to worry about frying my motherboard or anything. Here's the money. They know how to do it.
They're pros at it. Yeah.
It's like going to a doctor to do surgery. Dude,
or a mechanic or something.
Yeah, or a mechanic. That's a better one. Yeah, I mean, I could learn how to do whatever, but if I can just pay, man, I just pay him because I don't want to. It's work. How are you going to leverage your time?
Yeah, I'm already working and trying to learn a new skill.
Right, and this is somebody coming from like I built computers, and so it's or I've upgraded computers. It's like, oh man, like I gotta take this out and put this one in, and so yeah,
I guess it's preference on who's got what money to spend and what preference you got for the amount you want to spend
and time.
So yeah, well, I'm saying if you got $2,000 to spend and I've got $800 to spend and I can build that same computer and I can do it myself, I'll take the time and learn because maybe I don't have the same money that other people do to get it done.
I don't know. It takes me even showing a friend how to build a computer from start to finish, we were done in 30 minutes, bro.
Yeah, it don't take long.
Like I believe all that.
He booted up and downloading his games 0 to 30.
Yeah, no, I totally believe that. My bro, he built his own too. It's just like I don't know, man. It's just easier.
If you're working off your phone and you need it now, I understand to spend the extra money. You know what I'm saying? I won't do my own oil change.
Yeah.
I won't do my own oil change. Like he said, mechanic. I'm not going to do any work on my car. But a computer, but I enjoy it. So there's a difference. If
I wasn't working much, I'd probably enjoy it more. But I'm barely getting sleep. I'm good, you know.
Yeah, it's what lane you're in.
Like for me, the scariest part building a computer is putting that thermal paste on the chip. To me, that's like the scariest part. It's like, man, what if I don't put enough, or what if it all goes?
There's a paste in a thermal chip. This sounds like
when you buy a brand new chip, they already have thermal paste on the fan that comes with it.
I mean,
I
never use that.
That's the most scariest part. After that, putting the graphics card in the slot, it can only go one way.
It's this. stuff.
What do you got there, BC? Hold on.
That's thermal paste.
Oh, okay.
Nerd alert! Nerd alert! Nerd
Well,
alert!
Like,
He's
little,
packing
but like,
thermal
I make
paste
money.
everywhere he goes.
But
But
it's
if
like
you
I
stay
make,
with
that's
stock
how I
fam-
make money. You know
But
how
if you stay
easy
with
it is?
stock fam and you stay with stock CPU, they come with the thermal paste. You have to do nothing but just push in 2 clips and your fan and thermal paste is applied.
Boom.
I mean,
That's
honestly,
actually that's normally considered a thermal pad.
no, they got paste on
No.
it. No, they got
I
paste
have
on it.
both. I have thermal pads for my GPUs, and I have thermal paste for the CPU.
See, this sounds like a lot of shit to learn, bro.
I don't know.
You're
It's
scaring the
getting-
boy. Quit it.
I was just gonna say, hey man, I agree, Jr. If the company's gonna build you that computer for $100 to build it, go
It
for
sounds
it. I mean,
fair,
that's what
right?
I
It's
paid.
not
Hold
that
on.
bad.
CCM, can you put a poll in the chat and let's see what the people think? Do they think JR should save a little bit of money and get a better PC and a better bang for his buck, or do they think that he should just spend more money to get a worse
this is
PC
funny.
and save 30?
See that's thermal paste normally. from what I-
That's
I-
a long ass poll
Yeah.
question.
I know that is. I'm
It
just
was like a
I'm
paragraph.
shutting down my poll at this point, and because Link is in the lead and is gonna end up winning again here at this point. But I'll put
Link
up another one
conference,
that
Link
basically says
conference.
should JR shill out some money to get a computer built? How's that?
Should he buy a computer or build a computer? So like the
Okay.
stipulation on this, guys.
Buy or build.
is
That's
should
easy.
J-
Buy or build.
Should JR spend less money to get a better computer, or should he spend more money and not build a computer and have them do it for him, but not get as good parts?
Oh, okay.
No, it'd be good parts still.
Yeah, it'd be good parts,
together
but
by
not as
pro.
good as you could have got if you had just spent the full 2,000 picking out your own parts.
I agree, but that's just me. But I like that. I like hands-on.
That sounds like it adds up. No, I
So
can't lie.
I'm in the middle between BC and Shuby. I'm kind of in the middle. Okay, they're gonna charge $100 to put it together. That's fine. But then it's like, okay, well, what? Show me a list of what parts
Yeah.
I'm gonna get,
Yep.
and then research the GPU price. What
Yeah.
they're charging you, the motherboard price.
Yeah. Let's get some
You know, and
data
just
on the go
Get
here.
things out of that list and search them on Amazon or whatever, and see what kind of range that's in, and then see what they're charging you.
Yeah.
Like if you're getting stuff like say 10% over MSRP, fuck it, have them build it, spend an extra couple hundred, and be done
Yeah.
with it. But
Yeah.
I mean, if they're gonna sell you a 3060 for a 3090 price, no, don't pay $1,900 for a
But
3060.
BC, so that website we were talking about shows you the best price on every part you're looking for.
Yeah.
In America?
I'll let Joe go.
In
I'm done.
Canada.
But here's the thing, but for something like a GPU, I'm just gonna go to Facebook Marketplace and pick up like a 30, like a 37.
Yeah, that could be
Ti.
off some shady crackhead, bro.
No,
it might not even work. They might have the wire. They might have all the
here's the
copper
thing.
ripped out of the part. Like,
Someone that has a 3080 spent good money to get that. And
or
you can
stole
afford-
it and pulled the copper out and is selling me a shit part.
I don't know. I don't like. Yeah, maybe if your city's full like crackheads,
It might be.
you're in the wrong city, sir.
Oil
Like-
country, bro.
But still,
Right.
it's like you can get that used online. There's also like, there's other sites as well where you can just pick up refurbished GPUs. You could pick up a 3080, which would be
Tangent wallet.
for what you be plenty for what you need for like
Yeah.
half the price of it brand new.
If shipping wasn't so expensive, I'd build the damn thing and ship it to you. Tell me what you want.
Same. It's like that's what I do. That's how I make money.
That's why he's got the paste.
Exactly.
Yeah, but what I was just trying to say, I mean,
His
I don't wanna
first
go-
curls.
I know he's been waiting, but if the company that's going to build it for $100 only charges 10 or 15% over MSRP, that's not bad. Okay, yeah.
I'll send
like
you.
I said.
I'll send you the shit, and you can check it out. You'll see. I'll show you. I'll send you this stuff.
No, I'm just saying, like, whatever they're gonna charge you for, like, the GPU and the motherboard, just do a quick research on those, find pretty much the same thing, and look at what you can buy it for versus what they're selling it to you for.
I had to skip a shower just to hang out with you guys. Like, I'm not gonna research any of this stuff. I'm not gonna research anything. I can send it to you. That's all I got. But yeah, no. So I figure it's easier just to grab it. You know. I just want to get going. You know. I just want to start doing my shit. Like I think I'd trade so much better if I could watch like all these different assets and shit at the same time, like different things. You know. I don't know. I feel so. I'd like it.
I just went to Walmart and bought me a $700 laptop that's an MSI gaming computer, two $200 monitors, and I don't even need something built for me. It's already the whole gaming system and everything sitting here for less than $1,000.
Boom. See, so I'm like going that route, but like more. That's good. It's all good.
And that's what it is. It's a gaming MSI laptop.
Yeah, nice.
Black Friday, buddy, coming up 3 weeks. I don't know if you guys get it up there, but
yeah, no, we do. We frequent the Black Friday.
I'm just saying, less than 2,000. I mean, I do everything. I mean, I stream. I got gaming going on. I got anything I want, and $1,100. I mean, somewhere in there. My laptop's not even open. It's closed. I got a monitor here. I got a monitor over here. I got cameras hooked up all over the place.
Sweet. Yeah, that's the next thing I gotta get is freaking cameras and a mic.
My cameras were cheap. My cameras were $35 a piece. That's what you're looking at me on. My microphone, I think, was $25. But I'm not a streamer, all the time. And nobody's bitched about my video or my audio unless it goes.
No, it looks good. Looks good.
So.
Yeah, no.
$17 green screen back here that's just hanging across my rafters.
Yeah, I overdo stuff. It's kind of what I do.
You can save that money and put it in the market, and
I know I could flip it. That is a good idea too.
That poll's pretty split.
Is it?
Yeah. What Build is in the lead though. So there's 9 votes. Build has 44%. I need Thermal Paste has 22.
That was funny. When I read that, I was like, "Oh my gosh!" So here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. So I had a computer, and it messed up on me. So I'm researching, I'm Googling, I'm YouTubing, all these different things. Oh, you need another power supply.
Yeah. Here we
go.
So
I go, I buy the most expensive power supply. I go in there, I hook it up, and it's still not working. So then they say, "Oh, well, you need RAM." So then I go and I buy the most expensive RAM, I put it in my computer, and still nothing. And then so I just left it in the closet for a good year and a half. And finally I said, you know what? I want this fixed. The diagnostics beeping and everything. I'm researching everything. I'm wasting way too much time on this. Send it to a shop, charge me like $150 to say that it's the actual motherboard. The RAM slot is burnt out. It's like, oh, okay. I said, well, let me just buy a new motherboard. So I bought a new motherboard. However, the one that I got was larger than the actual case. Now my case was already huge. I was like, okay. They said, well, you can just send it back. I don't like sending stuff back. Story time. I don't like sending stuff back.
Nobody
I don't like
put
sending
that in
stuff
there,
back.
huh?
So what I ended up doing was I ended up buying a larger case to fit the motherboard. So now he says, okay, well, now that you have the motherboard, if you want, you can just just put it all together. I was like, well, how much is it going to be for you to do it? And he said 150. I said, go ahead. The reason why I know how to do this, but instead of me spending 30 minutes to an hour, more than likely it'd be an hour because I got to take everything out from the old computer case to put into the new one, diagnose it, make sure everything's working. Instead of wasting and spending an hour doing it, I just pay him $150 and you do it. I wait a day. I'm okay.
Yep.
So
and I'd have to learn all that.
Your number, buddy.
Right. So in my opinion, what I would do is I would personally, if I wanted to customize it and get the absolute best parts at the best price, I would buy all the parts and then have somebody pay them to put it together. So it's quick, it's easy, and that's it.
So
Or I can have it just pre-built from a Walmart or Amazon or wherever, and then not have to worry about all the specifications.
So just out of curiosity, so how long do you think it'd take to do everything you said? You said an hour and a half to switch everything and do it all?
But he already knows how to do the shit too.
No,
I'd have
I'm
to learn it. I'd have to learn it.
I'm talking about
First.
Joe. So
Yeah,
an hour and a half?
Yeah.
So that's $75 an hour you just gave up. Or are you making more than that in trading an hour?
My time is priceless. We'll put it that way.
Okay.
And it's better. Like if you have the ability to, if you have the money. Now, if I didn't have the 150, I have no other option but to do it myself.
Of course.
Yeah, but now if I have the money, shoot, man, I would rather. So I'm not having to deal with the headache, the frustration, the I dropped a screw.
Yeah.
The lighting. I'm not having to mess with any of that. I just give it to them. Boom, they do it. Now, if I did this on a regular basis, and it's like, oh man, like brushing your teeth, I would do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I'm just thinking about that $75, whatever. You could take and invest that into Bitcoin or wherever. I'm just in general.
And go to work at the same time.
Yeah, whatever.
Boomski.
Nice. That's sexy. That's sexy and clean.
Yeah.
Like that's.
I like the wire management.
It only cost me like I think it was like 3 plus all this. So
sorry, I pulled the screen down. Hold on. Holy crap!
Dude.
Yeah. That's what JR needs right there. Yep.
Yeah, but like the thing is, like I spent less to do it.
Yeah, totally. But you have like a wealth of knowledge to make it easy.
That's crazy.
But it's not that hard. Joe knows. I mean,
that's what I'm trying to tell you. It's not. It's like it's literally.
I gotta use the shooby bucket.
You build with Legos, bro.
Yep. Legos and Xbox. It's like basically setting up Legos in an Xbox.
Cheers.
It's literally that easy. I'm trying to tell you now. All of it's labeled. It'll tell you where to plug it all in at. The CPU only goes in.
Send the list. Way. Send the list. We're live streaming the build. Send the list.
Here we go.
But I promise you, man. And
it will take like fucking 12 live streams. Like 12 1-hour live streams of me trying to figure out how the fuck do I build this, BC? Where's BC? Oh, I'm busy, bro. I'm cooking supper for my wife and stuff. And
I will video
work.
Chat you when you want to build it.
You understand how you understand how your computer works when you build it.
What? Do I or will I?
You will.
You understand it. I mean, I know where my plugs are. I know what goes to what. I know what goes to my front.
Yeah, that's a good feeling. Yep. You're right. That's worth something too.
Yeah. My whole thing is just saving on money. Because it's like we could get you a much better PC for your 2000 than going to the store. They're gonna give you like a 30.
It's not like a Walmart though. It's like a dope ass computer store with cheap ass shit because like they specialize in it. It's not like Best Buy. It's like a different thing.
That's what they do. That's what they all do. Like that's how I make money. I make money off of people like you that just don't want to build their own computer. Like, it's so hard, and it's like. That's why I'm trying to tell you is it's not that hard, and I'm trying to help you save out on you'd have $400 extra to spend on a better part than going to the store and having them do it.
The only part that's kind of sketchy to me, just a hair, just a hair. I mean, very little. Is seating the CPU, especially if you got one with pins on it. If you got the ones with pins, and I don't remember which that is, AMD or
It's easy. There's a little triangle on your motherboard where the CPU goes, and there's a little triangle on the CPU. You line those triangles up, and that's the direction it goes. The CPU
but it always
going one way.
It always feels like it's fitting so hard. It just scares me. I've never had a problem. I'm just saying that's the part that scares me. Everyone's worked at everyone I've ever done, and I built 3 computers, and I got one down here that's probably better than this in my size sitting down here, but I just don't have room where I'm at to put it up. And I can work 4 monitors I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different monitors in this laser shed. I could be fucking jamming it.
Laser shed.
It is. That's why I do my laser business.
Yeah,
Really
no. This
I'm
just
about to
sounded
do
cool.
the same thing. I'm waiting for Black Friday. Black Friday, I'm getting 2 more monitors. And the whole desk is just gonna be screen.
Nice.
It's like, why not?
Fuck
Why's it
yeah,
gotta
why
be a
not?
black thing? What?
Hmm?
I'm just trying
Yeah.
to say, why's it gotta be a black thing? I'm just
No, Black
Every
Friday.
time.
I'm
Mhm.
just joking.
Is it-
Come on.
Nobody celebrates White Friday, so don't be jealous, bro.
It's not fair.
Oh my god.
It's not fair.
I got a projector. I can make a 14-foot monitor. You know, I mean,
that's how I used to game. When I was like 18 years old, 18, 19, we had a projector in the house. And we would just, it was like 170 inches of straight screen. And we're just like sniping people from the back of the COD map. They're all pissed off. Like, bro, your head's like this big for me. I'm going to hit it.
that's why gamers need big TVs and big monitors.
So, like, yes and no. Well, like, my monitors, my gaming one, it's a 32-incher, but it's like the smaller the monitor it used to be is like the better refresh. Now it doesn't matter so much. You just pay extra. So it's like I have 300 refresh on my monitor. So it's like when you're up like this, it doesn't matter. You don't need it to be a whole lot bigger.
I love my setup. I mean, like I said, I got it on a good deal. It's on sale. It's a gaming laptop. I can put an HDMI out the back. I bought a splitter for DVI. So I got my other monitor so I can back and forth. And the monitors I bought, they're not curved and all that special stuff. They're 27-inch Spectrums or Spectra.
Not
And-
a scepter.
Fuck yeah. Why would I say
Yeah,
no to that?
I had it for $110 a piece. Hi, Sahara.
Uh,
You know,
So how much, Shuby? How much was your laptop? Your
about
gaming
700.
Man, that's amazing, dude. So incredibly inexpensive, and it's a good laptop.
Yeah, it's not the best MSI gaming, but it's got a good chip in it. I mean, I could mine on it if I wanted to, which I'm not going to. Never would. But I don't even know what model it is. Walmart had it on a deal. I think it was like $1,100. I got it for $700.
oh, is it one of those? Oh, you said laptop?
Yeah, it's a laptop.
Oh.
Let me see. It's Windows 11 because I just bought it. Well, after I started streaming with you guys, because the other laptop just kept screwing up bad. I
I
mean, it
think
was
the
a,
next computer I get, it's going to be a laptop. I have a I call it the Beast. It's a big computer, and then this one too that I'm using is the Beast. Well, this one's the Beast. That other one's, I guess, another Beast. But I love them. Very easy to swap out things if I need to. Plus, they look cool, kind of like BCs. But yeah, I think the next one I'm gonna do is just a laptop.
I'm looking now just to see what it is. It's an MSI 13th gen Intel Core i5 13420, 2.10
Not bad.
gigahertz, 16 gig of RAM is always installed. Hard drive was a 500 gig. No, sorry, 120 gig.
Yeah,
No, it's 500. I got 128 gig used.
Jesus. But what about the GPU? What's the GPU?
I said that already. It's an
Built in.
Intel i5 13420H.
It's
Oh,
integrated.
okay.
It's,
Okay.
yeah,
I got it.
integrated.
But I mean, it works good for every. I don't game, so I don't know really on the gaming side. But everything I do processes fast. I mean, I don't have an issue with it.
Nobody puts baby in the corner. Sorry, I'm trying to keep up with the chat and turn off the moderation on the. That's funny.
Where's JR? Oh, there he is. I'm sending you a list on Discord.
Oh, I see it. It better not be lame, bro.
Yeah. So
Did
for
you
my
just see his
computer-
setup and he said lame? Sorry. Sorry, Joe. I didn't mean to cut you off.
Oh no. I'm just eating Cheez-Its, man. Just hanging out.
And then dude, like I said, I can help you build it. But like a few of these parts, you'll get it cheaper if you just buy it like used.
Well,
Like
how do I know that
refurbished.
person is not being a piece of shit?
Hold on, I will send you.
You know what I mean?
I will send you a website that does refurbished. Like it's Newegg. They got a bunch of refurbished parts on there for the extra cheap.
That's
Yeah.
who I bought most
Newegg
of my
is
parts
pretty
for
good.
all mine. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this computer I bought about a year and a half ago. It's an i9 and the RAM is 64 gigs. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 and
Newegg's having a 70% sale right now, bro.
There you go.
That's what I'm saying. You can get stuff cheaper. You said you had an i9 in there?
Joe's
yeah,
got
I bought it a
two.
year and a half ago.
That's a really nice one, though. Like, you'll be good for like the next, I don't know, like 8 years on your CPU alone.
I'm not gonna. I just need to be good for like 2 more years, man. Just,
Yeah, bro. I just need like 2 or 3, bro.
Well, that's what I'm saying. But like with your CPU alone, you'll be good for like the next 8 years or so.
Nice.
Yeah, I forget what my other one is, but that one was a pretty penny. You know, I went to Amazon. Was like, "What's the most expensive computer?" It's like, "Oh no, never mind." What's the? I kept on doing that till it was in my budget. It's all right. But this one, man, this one cost a pretty penny. Good lord. But I love it though. The only thing I don't like is that my dumb camera, it messes up. But it's the camera though, because it messes up on that other computer and also this computer. So it's just dumb.
How's it mess up?
It won't show. So like there's sometimes where I'll do a stream and it's like, hey guys, my camera's not working. And I'll reboot the computer, reboot it, and then finally it'll work. Before I used to reinstall the drivers again. And then
Yeah, it happens to him every time he comes on my stream and then goes try to do it.
well, I tell you what, I don't want to say this, but because I don't want to like, but I have so far lately, I want to say the past few times, I don't need to reboot the computer.
Nice.
But I still leave just in case I do, because there have been a few times where I'll go and it doesn't show. It's like, come on, man, it was just working. Come on.
Yeah,
So,
I hope I don't have to deal with that shit. That stuff's
I-
annoying, eh?
I think it's just my camera, but it's a good camera too. It's an Elgato face cam, and that one I spent a pretty nice chunk of change on it. But you know,
Technology is annoying sometimes.
oh, I do want to say one thing really quick. I bought a Elgato prompter. I think that's what it's called. I want to say I spent like $250 on it. It is the worst piece of crap, but I just don't know how to use it. And what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put your camera in the thing, and it's a mirror, so it's another monitor, which is pretty cool. And so that way you can read your script, but looking at the monitor instead of looking off to the side or whatever.
Oh,
So
cool.
I bought it for that, and I could never get it to work. And it comes with literally like 60 attachments. I was like, really? Really? And I don't know which one to put. And I put some of them on there, and then like the camera's too far away, and it's a paperweight. But
It's a paperweight.
yeah, I mean, when I moved over here, I didn't even hook it up. You know, I feel like just taking my pew to it and just, you know, putting it out of its misery. But $250, man, it's like, man, it's a lot of money.
Yeah.
Hey,
I probably
Shuby,
what do is watch some videos on.
Shuby's
how
heading
to
out.
actually
I just want to say goodnight, Shuby. Thanks for jumping in, bud. I know you got family over, so
Good night, Shub.
Night,
Yeah,
Shuby.
you-
Right, everybody.
Good night, Ruby.
Oh, speaking about that, I'm gonna go ahead on out as well. I do thank you guys very much, and you guys are the best.
Yep. Joe's got his live stream right now. He's changed his times around. So
Oh,
Joe,
yeah.
tell everybody if you want before you head out. That way everybody knows.
Yeah, I kind of didn't want to. I don't want them to leave. But yeah, so now I have my own. I changed my times, and I completely forgot about Fridays. I was like, oh man, I can't do it earlier. I mean, I could do it earlier, but then people would, well like, is it 7 or is it 9 or is it 4? So I'm just doing it one time at 9 p.m. And then in addition to that, I do bonus streams. So 9 p.m. But stay here, guys. Enjoy the chat. I'm gonna do my stream, and then I'll probably do a real quick one just so I can say I did it, and then I'll probably jump back. All right, guys.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Joe.
See ya.
Have a good one, Joe.
All right.
So I'm just over here like munching on some nachos at the old lady.
Bro, these Cheez-Its are so good.
You got cheeses. We got nachos.
Nice.
Oh, fuck.
Where is it? They've been adding commands like crazy.
I know. I've given up trying to keep up. Dave Digital is all over it.
I like this one. Ones it shows. Or did it?
Put it on the screen. I don't even know show what.
It didn't come up yet.
Oh yeah.
I swear I did it. It got added. Yeah. But it didn't do it.
Two potheads are just munching out.
Yeah. How many more gummies there? I'm just asking.
See, it's not doing it. I put Gary. It's supposed to say something. It's supposed to say, shh, Gary Gensler. But it didn't do nothing.
Maybe it takes a while to kick in.
Nah, they're pretty quick. It's
Oh, really?
pretty instant. Yeah. Like I said, these guys literally, Dave's putting it in there and then hitting it, and it's like popping right up.
Nice.
Yeah. He obviously deals with this all the time because like he's just so much quicker than I am. He's on.
Yeah.
Well,
He's hardcore.
He's
not
on
an
a
old
flyer.
man on the interwebs.
I
Yeah.
like Dave. Dave's a good guy.
Oh, JR. So that the GPU I sent you on your part list, I already sent you a link where it's on the part list. It says 1,400 or like 1,400 brand new. I found it and sent you a link for $800.
What is it? GPU?
Yeah. So
What's that
you could
do?
get that one, or you could get a better one. That's what I'm saying. The amount of money you can save from buying it brand new to buying it online refurbished, that's $400.
What if it doesn't work though? Good. Like, what if I go put it all
comes with a
together and I
warranty.
have all these little? Like, yeah, but that sounds annoying.
Yeah, but what? Okay, that
No more
computer company you were talking about that's like 2 hours away that you were gonna have build you one.
Mm-hmm.
What if you sent them that list of the stuff you were gonna buy for cheap and asked them like, hey, these are the items I bought.
Yeah. Price
Are
match.
you willing to put it together for me? Granted, it'll be more than $100, but you're buying the parts for cheaper, but you're spending more to have them put it together. You know, it's kind of like the best of both worlds.
Yeah, I'm down. It sounds like a good time. But if it's not,
Yeah. I wasn't used for that. But
Okay, Bedel's having a good time, obviously.
shit's funny.
Oh shit.
I want those gummies, bro.
Gummies. Give me your gummies. Here it is. I gotta change that. It's gonna say it's percentage to eat another gummy.
You should have a gummy emoji.
No shit, right? There we go. Yeah, you know what? Nightbot says cheers. Cheers.
Uh-oh.
I gotta put some timers on that sucker. Just saying.
Right?
We need a gummy giveaway, Dave Digital says. Oh.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, Badell is feeling better now. Yes, he is. You can tell. Oh man.
It all hit at once.
I think so.
He's like,
And there you go. And Dave Digital wants you to rig it so he wins.
It's the wheel's rigged anyways.
Is that even
He's
legal?
good to go.
When you
What?
illegal,
Mailing narcotics across the land? I don't know, but there's one way to find out.
I'm pretty sure that's a federal crime, but I'm not.
Well,
Depends how
according
you
to
ship it.
agricultural law, you can ship seeds because the THC content is less than like 0.5 or 0.05.
0.03.
We're shipping gummies though.
Yeah,
that's
different
not
story.
That's not
But
legal.
What if we hide them really good though, like inside something? Then it's okay, right?
You can act like this.
Are you talking about committing felonies on a stream, boy?
No,
That's not safe.
I'm pitching a skit.
No, that's not good. That's you don't want to do that.
Really? You can do that here. It's all good.
Yeah, but it's like federally legal there. Whereas
No,
in the
before that
United-
though, before that it was all good too. They'd send like quarter pounds and half pounds on the bus to people and stuff like all the time. People just didn't. People were just like meh, you know.
Meh.
Why does Nightbot keep yelling at Chris? He's not even using all caps.
Yeah, Nightbot's being a POS.
Right. The moderation was on in the background that regulates people just using all caps, and he got timed out. I turned it all off, and so did Dave. So we got he's back. He's out of timeout. He's out of the corner.
Nice.
All set in the house.
All
Welcome.
set. What up?
What's up, dude?
He's probably printing. I bet he's printing hard.
There's like not any movements going on.
I know, it's like paused, eh?
They should. I'm not planning on pulling any out of there, so it should just automatically, no matter what stream I'm live on, it should just bring it over.
And Dave, I gotta say, you got lucky with that flight. Well, I
Adele's flying right now.
Yeah, he is. Yeah, he is.
It's been a little while. That's nice.
Nice.
And you took extra.
Same with me too. I've been blazed in a long time.
I can't smoke. I just like the gummies. It's like when I home grow, we just turn that into most of it's butter, and we make like brownies and cookies and all sorts of edibles.
It's a double-edged sword, eh? You just like keep eating, keep getting higher, keep eating.
Loki's Angels. Welcome.
A little bit dangerous there. You just go to sleep.
Sounds like a good time though.
I wouldn't complain about it.
Sleep, yeah.
Hi, Sarah. I can see you now. Before I could only see like part of your head. It's kind of kept bobbing in and out.
I was eating my nachos.
No.
Ah, nachos. Oh, that sounds so
I have
good
to
right
move,
now.
I just gotta turn the table. That's all.
Sounds so good.
I like
It does sound good.
Yes, Nightbot says everybody loves All Set. Absolutely.
They're just throwing all the commands in there now.
Hell yeah. I like it. Before I can think about him, Dave's got him in there. It's like the guy's on
Boom.
fire. He's on fire.
He's a machine.
He is, man. He is.
He's on day like
I was having problems
5,086.
connecting Nightbot to the stream. Never mind anything else. This guy's got it like bam, 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 bam. He just on fire.
Yeah, I couldn't finish my Discord server bots either. I was like, I'm just gonna focus on trading, so I'm not a fake guru, and someone else can do my bot. You know? I tried though, but then it was just like it wouldn't work.
That's what I
man.
did for Joe. I set up like bots in his server and all that shit.
Yeah, it's annoying. I tried Carl bot.
It all just depends on what bot you choose, honestly, because not all bots are the same. They're not all good. But like, there's a ton that claim to do. It's like, oh, I'll do the same thing. It's like just look at bots that are in like a bunch of the servers that you're in. Look to see if they have like a bunch of the same ones.
Mm.
Yeah, facts, Chris. Dave Digital all over it.
What?
And
oh
he
yeah,
said Dave is the most digital of all of us. Yeah, there you go. What's to say? How can you focus on trading without a session VWAP?
I rock anchored VWAPs.
Because it's not part of my trading style, honestly.
Anchored VWAPs hit hard.
I mean, VWAP like
If you drop an anchored
believe
VWAP,
that.
bro, from like the high and the low, anchored VWAP, and a fucking fixed range volume profile, and then pull a fib and turn on some order blocks and find some of that shit that lines up and overlaps together, those are banger zones for sure.
I don't know, like I just don't use it often. It's not.
Yeah, no,
it's
you
just not
do
a
good.
part.
You do a swing thing. It's way more chill too.
It's like that's also more my vibes. It's like
Yeah.
I'm really good.
Oh, I do it too for work. Like when I go to work lots, man, I'm in the same trade for like weeks, like a long and a short, and I'll just like low leverage. I'll just add to each one, nibble profits. So they'll take turns. I'll nibble profits from each one.
Well, it's like that's what Piper does too, because he like shorted from like 126, rode down
That
all
was
the
a
way down to
banger.
like 106.
That was a banger.
Well, that was the area I was looking at selling off 40% of my Bitcoin spot bag, honestly. And
I
just
had a
didn't pull
short,
trigger.
and I was in drawdown on my short, and it was like right before it dropped too. Not right before, but like within days before it dropped. And I was in drawdown, and I was like, I'm sick of this drawdown. I'm just gonna close it at a loss, and I closed it at a loss. And then days later, I'm like, why didn't I hold that short?
Yeah, hindsight, 2020. Yeah.
Patience,
like,
man.
We do look like we could potentially get one more push towards the upside here if we can hold some of our current range here, because we are making high, like on the macro, on the daily, we started making higher lows. We've got a higher high here. We just need a complete pattern. So it's like we have the potential for one more sweep towards the upside. I'm probably going to sell off 40% more of my Bitcoin bag, like spot bag.
Yeah, I don't. I think it'll go up one more time, but it's a toss up if it goes down first or not. For me, I don't trust nothing.
Things look all right if we can maintain that 108. Get a nice little continuation off of it. So I missed out on the descent there. So I'm at least looking for like a 118 to sell off 40% more. And then I'm 70% out of my Bitcoin holdings from the bear market.
Nice. Ready to go again, eh?
Yeah, there we go.
And that's where I'm gonna roll over things more into my stocks. I was like, that's why I dropped some of those lists in the Discord. As I told people, I was like, pay attention to that TradFi chat. I'm gonna start dropping stocks in there so that people can position for the bear market.
Yeah, stocks are way better. I think my stocks are doing okay.
What'd you get into? And then, so I dropped that AI list, and it's like, I don't know how many, but there's a bunch there that it's like people wouldn't even think about would be integrated with AI. But there we go.
Yeah, I'm up on Intel and like some CES energy thing. Either way, though, my stock account's up, so that's good.
That's a win. That's a win.
Yeah. I wish it was bigger, but whatever. Gotta start
That's what
somewhere.
she said.
There it is. There you go. Oh shit.
What's like here? Oh, wrong one.
It's hard to trust these like oscillators and stochastics and RSIs, eh? It's like they can go like almost to the 50 line and reject and just go back down. They can go past the 50 line a bit and you're like, oh, it's past the 50 line. We're totally going to the other end. And then it can go back down. And it's like, you can't trust none of this shit. When it counts, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah. Well, it's like that's why I pick these more as investments. So it's like here's 136 companies that are all involved in AI. There, that shows up a little bit better there. So it's like literally from the mining, getting the materials needed out of the ground that are used to build AI stuff. So like mining and materials, you have CC and then DD, COHR. These are all mining companies that deal with getting the materials needed out of the ground. And then I
got a Canadian metals one. A metals one?
That's a decent one.
Right? Solid.
Well, like one of my biggest earners this year has been it's like a precious metals company, but they deal with gold, silver, and copper.
Yeah, that's like the Canadian one I picked. Yeah. Yeah.
And so I'm up like 140% on that stock.
Oh, that's it. Jeez.
Yeah,
it's nothing on my nuclear. That's better than
how's your meme coins?
Than a lot of the altcoins.
What about your meme coins?
Like
did you buy Nippy with Buck?
Heck no.
Oh.
I just buy Bitcoin, bro. Like I say it all the time. I'm a Bitcoin maxi, and I like 100% mean it. Everything.
I think Solana and ETH are pretty good.
I'm not saying that they're not. I'm just saying that I won't buy them.
I wouldn't go much further past Solana or ETH, like long term. Like the top 3. It just seems like, I don't know, a lot of stuff pops up and just falls off, you know?
Yeah, well, that's why I just don't. I'm looking for something that I can just buy and not worry about. It's like, you know what you can do that with? Bitcoin. It's like I don't
just look back in like 8 years and be like, wow, I have way more money than I put into it, and then go back to doing whatever you're doing.
Exactly. Well, like that's the point of it. It's like why would I buy something that I have to I literally have to focus on daily?
Babysit.
Ooh. It's like it's like okay, and like I don't mind trading, but it's like I can like enter a trade and then wait a few weeks and it's at my target. Like I focus on that, but it's like my favorite thing to do is just find a good asset and just buy it and continue to buy it and continue to buy it because it's like it's brainless.
I wouldn't go that far,
but like once you've already found the good project, it's pretty brainless.
Yeah, it's like easy. Like when I bought Bitcoin and it grew. If I would have just kept doing that, it would have just kept growing. That'd be good, and I didn't have to do shit.
I love that one.
Yeah,
that is my favorite right there. Well, it's like I hate to say it, but it's like like HBAR will get a little bit of a season, Solana will get a season, Ethereum's already had a season. It's like XRP had a season, but like a bunch of these other ones, they're not gonna get a run. There's no we say institutional money, but it's a retail money coming through institutional means. And it's like they're not coming in there on like Coinbase and crypto.com because they got fucked on FTX.
I don't know. I think Nightbot's off.
Yeah.
It sounded a little more likely.
Oh yeah, quite a bit more. It's like it's one of those things that I hate to have been wrong about. You know, because I know so many people that bought alts. And it's like, and then they listen to other people where it's like I shared it in the Discord earlier. I shared some dude, and like in his comments now, there was some dude. There's some dude trying to figure out how he can get a refund for the membership money that he paid in that dude's group. There's someone else that was like, bro, literally since starting to watch you, I've lost so much money. Now I just do the opposite of everything that you said.
Oh
Like,
man.
and that's why it's like I hate to be wrong about it because there's people sitting in that position.
No,
But also
Melissa,
at the
I
same
didn't.
time, it's like now you just gotta focus on what works for next time. And we see what works. Bitcoin does, and all of these dinosaur tokens have, but like you gotta be Bitcoin centric.
I don't disagree.
I yeah, same here. It's like
Nippy to the moon. Poor
only
Buck.
for Buck.
Only
But
for
I was
Buck.
only for Buck. Like I hope people get their pump.
Did you
Like,
see
it's
him
not- I'm not-
when he showed
I'm
me
not
that
saying-
chart? When he showed me the Nippy chart with the big spike on it, and I was like, "Was that when you, the only person in the world, bought a bunch of it?" He's like, "I cannot confirm nor deny that."
I can't even. Where is that on the? Is it
I
on
don't
Trading
even
View?
know. Nippy, I don't know. Is
I don't
it?
even- I
Or is
don't
it on
know.
like some weird decks hidden in the
Probably.
depths of hell?
The depths of hell. The depths of hell. There it is.
Yeah.
True facts.
And it's like,
Nippy. I can't even search it in Trading View.
yeah, that's what I looked for it.
Why would he buy that?
Well, it's like,
Silly bugger.
like, okay, you've heard about us joke about it in the Discord all the time, and even in the chats, where it's like that $800 link, and
That's
like,
gonna happen though.
like,
I'm just joking.
okay then. But it's like, okay, so back in, it would have been like September-ish. Yeah, probably September-ish, like early September. This guy was talking about his new target. It could have been like late August, early September. He was talking about his new upside target for Link was $420.
Fuck yeah.
And then this past week, he's like, oh, well, actually $42. How the fuck did you get to that?
He forgot to move a decimal, bro. He forgot to move a decimal.
I was like, what the heck? You couldn't have just been honest.
That's an
the first
honest
time around?
mistake, bro.
Get super honest.
He was all gummied out and he forgot to move a
He was all
decimal.
gummied out.
And like all of his followers lost a bunch of money. Like, that's okay. That's horrible.
Yeah,
Is that the
Well,
guy
it's
you
like-
made the video about?
yeah. I've made one and I'm gonna make another. Like I'm
Nice.
in the process of editing it. So it's
Sweet.
like you've now got a lower high, and then you've got your equal lows down here. You lost your 50% line on your fib retracement. Like you wicked below the platinum pocket. You're
That's
approaching your
greasy.
golden pocket on your fib retracements.
It's a lot of strength.
It's rolling over on the daily. And like just recently he was like, yep, buy more. I'm like, oh, because the weekly chart looks like crap and the daily chart looks like crap. Yeah, buy more right now so that he can sell.
I was
on
gonna
me.
say he needs some exit liquidity. Come on.
Yeah. What do you edit your videos on?
I just do the thing built into Microsoft. So they've
Oh,
got
there's this thing.
basic software. Microsoft Clipchamp. So it's like
So
nice
you don't
and
use
easy.
InShot or Canva or nothing?
No.
No.
It's like I don't like Canva's all right, but it's like mostly AI. Like that's what it's for. And it's like I don't need AI. Like I've already made the content. I just need to like throw captions on there or a title or like maybe cut out like a little blooper type that I did where it's like I was like let's get that
Yeah.
out of there, like things like that. So it's like I don't need it for anything extreme. It's just a nice little clip. You got a minute that you do, and maybe throw in like a little like a border on it or something like that. It's like
Does
basic.
it do the
easy
words?
stuff.
Will it do the
Yeah,
words?
yeah.
Or it says
It'll
your
do
words?
subtitle.
Type
It's
it-
got an
yeah.
AI thing. It's got Microsoft's got their AI. It's built into there. It like analyzes your sound on there, and
Yeah.
it'll spit you out vocals. You're gonna
Nice.
have to edit it, of course. But it's
Yeah.
like there's gonna be words that it just messes up, but it's like
Mhm.
it does a decent job.
Sweet.
What else is cracking up over there?
But else.
All
Does he
right.
know it?
Nobody else can see this, right?
No, we're still live. No, but
No, it's just us.
Yeah.
if you look above
Everyone
me,
can see
right,
it.
there's JR, and then right there, BC Port Court. But right there where JR's name is,
Yeah, the little head.
in your two videos, look, it's the alien
Yeah.
head that keeps popping up.
Yeah,
And I'm like,
is that what you're laughing about right now?
yes, yes.
That's better than what I thought they were laughing
I'm
at.
like,
Just
oh
keeps
my
popping
god.
up.
Oh,
Like,
shit.
oh. And then she's like, well, why can't he just turn his camera? I'm like, I think he's on his phone.
Yeah.
Like, why does she just rotate his phone? I go, I don't know, but why is
Does that work or what? I haven't even tried or cared. No, see, it doesn't work.
You have to flip
No, that's even worse.
Way worse.
your sideways
Yeah.
now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you make me
exactly.
dizzy.
There you
Can't
go.
imagine what Bedell.
I got dizzy.
I
Oh
just
shit.
thought that maybe it'd be a longer screen than
Yeah, I thought it might work too. That's why I tried it.
alien popping up constantly.
I'm okay with that. I'm pretty unique. I could be an alien.
Alien right next to you where your name is, so you're good.
Yeah, his name's JR. Call me Junior. Yeah.
Fucking AI.
I know, right?
You should just
Oh,
drop
that's funny.
Oh boy. Ooh.
Hey, BC, you're still going live tomorrow, right? 2:00.
I'm gonna have to reschedule it for next week.
Oh,
LBC has something going. His wife is doing something, so he's got to watch the kids at that time. And then Billy can't make it; he's going out of town. So I'm gonna reschedule it for next week because LBC asked for later, and I'm going to a football game with my girl and her son and her mom. So
Yeah, scheduling can be a pain in the ass.
yeah.
What do you guys think about this? That's funny. He puts that in here. I was watching a little bit about it before I came on here. The comet / alien craft that's in our solar system here. What do you guys think?
Oh, yeah, that thing. We're getting invaded, bro. They're on the way.
Well, you are. You got that guy popping in and out of there.
I know.
On the side here.
If I disappear, it's because my phone died. Just so you guys know.
And so you think it's alien there, JR?
It's gotta be.
Yeah, that's-
Yeah,
But
Didn't it
the
like
hand
do like
goes
its
out.
own maneuvering? Didn't it like maneuver or something?
It's got like a hand that's waving too. And Jesus, Bedell's cooked.
Yeah, he is cooked. Yeah, absolutely. I love it. I love it. What about you, BC? What do you think? Alien or comet?
But I haven't paid enough attention to it. I heard there was an object, and that's all I know.
And,
Totally
and
an
there you go.
alien.
His sound advice from the digital man himself.
Yeah. Slacker.
What? Plug it in.
Plug in your
Plug it
phone.
in.
I don't get headphones though.
You don't have the cool one that lets you do 2?
No. I'm not that cool. Maybe next year.
And that's why he needs a computer.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that would solve everything.
There you go.
Probably. Every single problem that you
Every fucking thing.
yeah. Like you would literally have no problems in life because you had
I would have a personal chef and a mansion and possibly an island and a yacht pretty soon after getting a computer.
There you
Pretty
go.
sure.
Not
It's
stop
exciting.
anything since we
It's
got on the
exciting.
screen. Yeah, exactly.
You got called
Bro,
out,
I
man.
worked all day, bro. I didn't even shower for you buggers. I just come to chill out.
That's
We're
how I
drinking,
feel.
snacking, having a good time. Sorry, Dave Digital. Sorry you're on a diet, bro. I'm not. Okay?
Well, it's also cold up there. That man needs some insulation.
Yeah, it's gonna be minus 40.
That's true.
Minus 40 pretty soon. I gotta chub up.
Chub up. I gotta chub up, man.
I do. And then in the
That
spring and
sounds
summer,
so
it goes
dirty.
away. Wow. Pun
This
intended.
is YouTube, sir. You can't do that here.
It's already been done. I can't read it. It's so tiny. What's it say?
It says
That's what she said.
JR. Oh my god. JR needs a wireless charger so he can put it on chargers while he's having his headphones in.
Yeah, I do. Good. That's a good idea.
That's a good idea. There it is.
It is a good idea.
Yeah, there you go. He'll call you on a rotary phone. You got a rotary phone, JR. Or is Dave Digital lying?
Me and Dave talk on our rotary phones often, late at night.
Yep. A little happy Halloweeny. And there, yeah. Canadian.
Happy
Canadian.
Halloween.
Yeah, happy Halloweeny.
We don't talk about that.
Well. Yeah.
Busted.
What's this? Rotary phones are cool. Listen, man. Rotary.
I have dial-up too. Dial-up internet, just like Darren.
No,
You
like
really have
Hyper
dial-up
YouTube?
internet?
No.
Oh my god. I was gonna be like, what?
Up in the igloo, eh?
Yeah.
There's a wire that
Yeah,
comes through the
seriously,
ground.
Seriously. Holy
Yep.
shit. Oh my god. Yeah, rotaries are rocket, baby.
That's
56K.
actually
He's got the 56K all set. Does. And Donato Cabrera in the house. Welcome.
Donato. I love that guy. He's a good
Yep.
chap.
Physically dialed.
Yeah, dial up into yeah, exactly. Back in the day, right? Beep, beep. Yeah.
Grandma, get off the phone. I'm trying to play video games.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm trying to play Doom.
Oh, that's why you had to have offline ones too. It was like there was that and like where in the world is Carmen Sandiego?
Where in the
yeah.
world is Carmen Sandiego?
Oh my God.
Flashback,
That game was so much fun though.
right? She lit my life up, bro. We had lots of adventures.
My
The
life.
graphics, like looking back, they're like so terrible. Like, we played that, thought it
It's
was
like
cool.
squares. It's a bunch of Lego squares put together on a screen.
There you go. She's so hot.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
hot. Yeah, exactly. Oh my
I
god.
remember every square.
Or like the old school Oregon Trail. I had like
Oh,
the older
bro.
Oh
version.
my
You
goodness.
literally typed in the words. You were like,
You
Go
got dystentria or whatever.
And it was like, you got bit
Or
by a snake.
dysentery.
Like,
Dysentery. That's
Yeah,
what
you
it
got
was.
dysentery. Yes.
Yeah, you got
Mom died from
dysentery.
dysentery.
Or you drowned crossing the river and lost half your cattle. It's like, oh, sweet.
Yeah.
It's a good day
And,
in the Oregon.
Me too, Donato. And yes, Gold Miner James, welcome. And yes, Badell is effed right now. Yeah, totally.
We're freaking Bedell's noodle.
Oh man,
this man knows.
That's funny. That's funny.
Oh, but honestly, I'm kind of hungry. I might hop off.
All right. Oh, I get it, man.
I did not eat dinner after work, so now I'm extra hungry.
Right?
JR gets it.
Wow. Look, he only got a 1% chance. Well, he is like flying okay right now. He's happy. So yeah, he probably won't be muted. He's happy. Yeah. Oh shit.
Everyone have a good Friday night, and I will see everyone at the next one.
All right. Hey, thanks for stopping in, BC. Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, not a problem.
Have a good one, BC.
Take care.
Later, Bedell. Don't have too much fun.
Yeah, right.
Too
Enjoy
late.
your yum yums.
All right. Later.
See you.
Oh, shit. Later. Yeah. Damn. All right.
Let's see if the alien head goes away.
Yeah. Well, yeah. Well,
No,
we
it'll
could
be
do
a
this. Hold
different
on. Hold
spot
on.
now.
There we go. Now the
Boom.
alien head's still there. It is. Boom. And now we can see the wait. Now we can see the skeleton. See?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Doing the Michael Jackson.
Yeah, the thriller dance. Yeah.
That's right.
I imagine that's what Jesse would be doing if he was.
Oh
up
boy,
there.
Jesse just added a gummy command. Oh boy.
Did he?
Yes. And
Alright, good.
there you go. Give it. Oh shit.
Leave it to Jesse.
There it is.
No, I'm at my limit tonight. One
You
and
gummied
done.
out.
Tonight. Yeah. Yes, exactly. Happy Halloweeny. Yes.
I could have another. I suppose. I probably just smashed on here, eh?
Huh?
Oh, I said I'm hammered.
Oh, the Cheetos.
The Cheez-Its, yeah.
Cheez-Its. Yeah.
But Dell, how much beer did you drink, bro?
Thank you, Chris. Love having you guys here. This is I look forward.
Is
to
that
Friday
all
night.
gummy? Is
This
it all
is,
gummy?
This is number 8.
Okay, that adds up. That adds up.
Plus the gummy.
Can you see
I'm
them?
too be
They're all
nice. Yeah, cheese it gang. Cheese it
Hey,
gang.
there it is. There it is. Oh
Because
my
I
goodness,
accidentally
that's funny.
Turned on that blurry background.
And they make so many delicious flavors. We should get sponsored by Cheez-Its, you guys.
Yeah. Sponsor our drinking
Yeah.
show. Yeah.
Joint deal. Joint deal.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's funny.
All of it, man.
That's funny.
I'll wrap it for free.
Yo,
so
look
delicious.
at that. Melissa's got some too. There you go.
Nice. See?
Sweet.
Start the movement.
Yep. That's funny. I love it.
I feel
cheeses,
bad.
man.
I feel bad
Those are
every
addictive.
Friday. They are good. They
They're-
put something in there, I think, eh?
Probably, right? And it ain't nothing good, Lord knows. Oh,
No, there's something in there. Super good. Delicious.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. I'll still take it. Oh shit.
Is price action still paused or what? Let's take a peek.
You know what? I should have put this back on there for at least a little while. Where is it?
There you go.
Have a little bit of Howling action, only for a little while, because the way StreamYard lets me put it on, it kind of just gets annoying after a while. I lowered it a little bit too, so it's not so bad. I love that you put this in there, Dave. That's awesome. Friggin' magnet. I love it. And there you go. I like that. Watching the World Series, hanging out and chilling in my bubble. Okay.
I didn't know the World Series was going on.
Well, I knew they were in the playoffs, or at least that was going on after talking to Jar about it. But that's about as much as I know. I haven't been following it at all over the last few years. Yes, bubble bath, maybe. Yeah, probably. Right.
Bill Cubbies.
Come
on, Chris. Who goes for any Chicago team?
Hey, the Blue Jays were in the playoffs. Did they make the World Series? I have no idea, to be honest. That's a legit question, by the way. Dodger fan, born and well, I mean, I get it. Listen, if like French Toaster was here, or username, I probably shouldn't say the name 3 times, he'll show up, but no, I'm kidding. Boston fan, because I grew up in New England, so it's like you got to be the home teams always, right? Yankees, I'll forgive you for that. All set. No, I'm kidding. Yankees have had a strong team for a long time. They are what they are now. Oh, I'm so glad you said that. That was like my second favorite team as a kid there, Dave Digital. The Astros. Don't know why. I just started watching them. I'm like, I really like these people. And then for literally since I've been a kid. Absolutely. And then Melissa saying she likes the Yankees too. Well, again, we'll forgive you for that. But no. But Dodgers is number one. Get those Dodger dogs. It's like Fenway Franks. Let's see. I was the same way with Denver Broncos. Keith fell in love. Yeah, it's odd how you do that sometimes, right? It's like it was very random. I don't even remember exactly how. And then the next thing you know, I was like trying to find every one of their games. Oh, what kind of Cheez-Its are those? Come on, which flavor?
Jack and Swiss.
Hold on, you're muted. Cheddar, Jack, and Swiss.
Oh. Damn, you guys gonna make me have to go get some snacks right now, and I had no gummies either. And yeah, let's see.
I've had them. Open ones over there.
Partial to the Tigers. Okay. There you go. So CCM, you and Joe gonna hit up a bank. Yeah, exactly, right. Exactly. I told Joe the other day during one of his streams when he had that black beanie cap on. I'm like, dude, you look like the missing member of the Sticky Bandits from Home Alone. He does too. Let's see what else we got. Oh, there we go. French toaster. Yeah. Best toasters are French toasters. Yes. Love French toast. That's getting down a rabbit hole right there. But anyway. Broncos, our favorite AFC, Bears, favorite NFC. Okay. Yeah, Home Alone was awesome. Awesome. And even 2 wasn't bad. I remember my kids watching Home Alone, and they were just like, "Oh, this is great." Especially when he yeah, I forgot his name, the skinny one, grabbed the faucets, and they were electrocuted, and that was they I'd never seen them laugh so hard. That was funny. Memories. All right, Sarah, how many of you had
How many
gummies?
what?
Gummies.
Um,
I was assuming that was implied, but okay.
One, but I only had it like half hour ago.
Nice. Yes, Marv. That's his name. Yes, thank you. Thank you, guys. Yeah, Marv. Yeah, love the rigging of the house. Yeah, it was great, bro. Straw the battle plan, and yeah. Murph. Got to work tomorrow? Yeah, you. Yeah.
No,
No. Wow, you got the whole weekend off?
maybe. I don't know yet. We'll
You
see.
don't know.
If someone
Oh,
calls
shit.
off, I probably have to go in because I lost 3 people last week.
Oh shit.
Yeah. 2 quit and 1 got fired. Just don't steal. You won't get fired.
Oh, details, man. They're entitled to that stuff. Come on now.
What's up?
What how's your hiring sitch? I mean, the job market is weakening. How are you with, like, in your area trying to hire people?
Hard. I only had 2 people in my queue today, and they're under 21. I need older.
Yep.
people.
I get it.
Just keep trying. Eventually, maybe I'll find someone.
Yeah, eventually, maybe. Maybe.
What did it say?
We all need a 21. Oh, shit. Or wait, or when Rob Schneider asks for the tip, and he gets Wrigley's gum. Yeah, that was funny. That was funny. I love those movies. That was awesome. That was awesome.
So I see JR in chat. What happened?
Mm-hmm.
I thought he was like gonna rotate his phone or something, and then went
to check
black.
something.
Yeah,
He's got to go relax. Cool. It's cool.
Okay.
It's cool. I mean, I don't know. I'm assuming, but that's all right. It's cool.
Yeah, that's what I'm about ready to do.
Yeah, I get it. I figured tonight might be a little bit. What is it?
That was for JR. The Cheez-Its.
Oh,
his phone died.
Yeah. Well, he did say that it might die because, so, what was I gonna say? I don't even remember. Doesn't matter. But yeah, I kind of was figuring that tonight might be a quicker night. Honest to God, though, if it wasn't a Friday, I'd be sleeping for like the last 2 hours at least. Yeah, I woke up this morning and I just was like, oh my God, I feel like shit. And when you just kind of achy and just yeah, that was me this morning.
That's what I was saying like a little bit earlier was we were chilling on the couch. I had a little bit of food. I was watching a video, and she's like, babe, it's like 5 to 6, and I'm like, it's okay. I was
Details.
Dinner.
I see that Jay Vile's trying to get a cheers out of me, but I actually have to go get some more. I'm completely out here at this point, but they can cheers for you. You know what? Here, you guys chat for a second. I'm gonna go get me. Yeah, there you go. Love Jay Violet. Yeah. I'm gonna go get me some more. I'll be right back. Oh, assuming I can. Let's take these off so I don't break my neck.
Well, we're thinking about heading out.
Well, let me at least get this so we can cheers on the way out. Hang on.
Okay.
Who does the Nightbot?
It's a program he just got, and I think this is the first or second stream that he's got it working on. So he's still learning about it, and apparently people can add commands to it. I've seen something like that before, but they also implemented like every time you chat or how long you're ever in the chat, you can collect coins and you can like gamble the coins. There's like different like gambling things that you can implement with a Nightbot. I've seen that before. I was like, oh, that's kind of interesting.
Parties. Yeah, I guess so. I mean, it is what it is. Only
It's
moderators.
been almost 3 hours. We're at 2:45.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. And like I said, hey, it is what it is. I appreciate everybody coming on tonight. I appreciate everybody helping out with the Nightbot. I'm glad it actually worked. Like I said, I was just an idiot and I looked really quick and connected it to the wrong accounts, basically. In a nutshell, what I did. Yes, there we go. 100% chance that Jesse needs some sleep.
But wasn't that kind of what we talked about last week? Because I was like, hey, like, start with the basics. Like, is it connected to the right account, the right email, the right this, right that?
And I thought I did.
Like, and then, like, B said something, and I was like, sometimes it is something that is so simple that you just overlook.
Well, the thing is, I didn't realize that it broke out like my crypto coin mindset account into each section. So like one was my email, one was YouTube, one was, so it literally broke them all out. I just clicked the first one because I'm like, okay, that's got to be the YouTube, right? I'm connecting to YouTube. Not. So there it was. And then like I said, I think it was yesterday, I was like, all right, I got to figure this thing out. And as soon as I looked, I was like, okay, there it is. Now I now see why. Yeah. So.
But you got it. That's all that matters. And
yeah, and it seems like everybody had some fun with it, which is nice. That's nice. I'm glad, and we'll see. Hopefully, that'll also help with not help, but give people something to do in the chats, like during the week as well. I mean, I figured it would be the biggest hit probably here on the Friday night show because I mean, we're all just drinking and having a good time. Good Lord, but even in the other ones, so I'm looking forward to using it. Looking forward to it. Oh my God, I got a sneeze coming on. I hate that. You can feel it coming, but not quite here. So
I'm like looking at that timer. I'm like, oh, come on, 3 hours. Let's go.
Oh no, we don't.
At least 5 or 10 minutes. No, it's been like 2 minutes, and I'm like, oh boy.
Well, you're looking at it from a different perspective.
On a Friday night, like third time in a row.
I like that effect. Nice. Here you go, Bedell. I'm gonna. Sorry. Yes, we'll do a cheers. I see you, JR. I see you. I got. There. Cheers. In my CCM swag right there. Thank you to Shuby. Shout out Shuby. Yes. Happy Halloween. Yes. And happy Bitcoin Whitepaper Day. Yes. There we go.
I almost thought like if it wasn't Halloween, it would have had to have been like Friday the 13th. Because I was like, all right, I worked 11 hours yesterday. I'm at like hour 9 at work today, and my boss is like, oh, I didn't think you were going to do the floors today. I was like, yeah, it's that every other Friday. I was like, unless if you don't want me to. And he's like, I don't give a shit. If you don't want to, don't. If you want to, do it. I'm like, fuck. Because I really don't want to. But I ended up doing it. And then the floor scrubber broke down at the furthest corner of the building.
Of course.
Hit it outside. And it's like, it's not going to push this fucking thing like 500 fucking feet. And then I got to text the boss and be like, yeah, well, only half the floors got done because the machine broke. It's like,
Chris, thank you, man. I appreciate you. So much support from you. I appreciate it. Commenting on videos, the whole 9 yards, like after the fact, that kind of thing. Appreciate everything you do as well, sir. Thank you. And yes, special stoner snacks right there. Yeah, Cheez-Its and jerky. I love jerky. Oh my god, venison jerky. Oh.
Yeah.
Pork jerky.
Oh, and it's that time of year, you know. Yes, get those ghouls out there. All right, we'll wrap up for tonight. I hope everybody has a great night. Thanks for coming by. Thanks for playing around with the night blot, and Jesus, man, no gummies here. Anyway, I appreciate all of you very, very much. And let's see, just to give you an idea what I got coming on. Got a video dropping tomorrow, a short dropping on Sunday. Joe and I are back at it on Monday, and then Bedell, BC, and I are back at it Monday night. So watch for all that great stuff. And yeah, we'll see you then. Yes. Have a good night, everybody. Appreciate you. I'm gonna actually play what was the intro as we leave. I know it'll have a countdown timer on it, but you can barely see it. So it's Halloweenish, so we got to play it. All right. Have a good night, everybody. Thanks. I'll see you again next week. Take care, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Wait, that's the wrong one. Here it is.